Good morning, Joey.
Good morning.
How was the day yesterday? Good.
Oh, phenomenal.
I see you. I see you eat a lot of food yesterday.
Oh yeah, he brought me to some Lebanese restaurant, and it was amazing.
Did you finish all food or not?
Huh?
Did you finish all of them? Can you left some
No,
over?
no, we both took home plates. It was a good time though.
That's good.
Yeah, trying to get my Wi-Fi set up in this friggin' room.
What's up, guys? Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Joey.
Good
What's up,
morning,
buddy?
doctor.
Fuck.
You were eating good last night, baby.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Morning, guys.
Morning, D.
Good morning, guys.
I'm not gonna lie,
Good morning, everyone.
I'm so jealous, dude. I'm due for some shawarma.
Don't be
Bro, it was
jealous.
amazing.
I wish
A
I
fucking
had some
amazing.
shawarma.
All right, guys. Game plan.
Let some more
I'm
people
doing
come on,
puts
Dimitri.
right at open, guys. Me personally, I'm doing puts right at open. Every time we gap up and we make a brand new high after market, pre-market, market sells off, which is doing now. And can you imagine all the people that swung calls from 634? They're gonna want to sell. And all the put back holders that swung puts, they're gonna want to either double up. I think they're gonna want to double up. So I'm gonna get puts right at open, guys. That's just me, without even like thinking, just blindly. So that's my game plan. Structure is bearish now, guys. We did break structure. We're making lower lows and lower highs. If we break it right now, this is gonna be another fresh lower low. If we break where we are right now, 639.69. So lower lows, lower highs, guys. Lower lows, lower highs. That's my game plan, guys. Lower high. Did not chart at all last night.
I'm trying to see if the chart
Joey, what'd you
exchange.
do? What'd you do last night?
I got lost. I went to some fucking bar, got drunk, and couldn't find my way back.
It's the best.
Thanks for
I
you
did that a
telling
few
me. Oh,
times.
just go down that street. You'll have a good time. Yeah, I had
Did
a
you?
great-
Is that the place that
Yeah.
you went?
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
I had a great time.
Yeah, that's my favorite place.
Max Payne is 620. Interesting.
Oh, buddy, I'm writing puts for probably $1,000, honestly. Like, it's gonna be a few coins, you know, stats, coins. I just wanna make a quick hit and run, you know? Quick.
Joey, did you already go over to
Quick.
47th Street, or are you doing that today?
I went last night. I got to go back again today, but
Yeah.
it's pretty much all set up over there.
Yeah. Good news on your watch, or you kind of expected?
I got a little bit more. Well, I guess I got a little less than I wanted, but I got to do a coin flip at Moses' store for a little bit more money. So,
Oh, cool. You met Moses?
nah, he was upstairs in the middle of a meeting or something. I think it was like, I don't know, it was some kid.
Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah,
You should have asked him if you could be in one of his videos, one of his hustle videos, and you can mazal him.
bro, he did a fucking coin flip with a Trump coin.
Yeah.
This one, so break it up into 4 little pieces.
Albert, your mic's on.
No. No.
Good morning, fellas. Could you guys keep me like mute like
Yeah.
automatically?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
joined and it was automatically on
We'll
the mic.
server. You just text in the chat when you want to talk.
Morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Albert. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
All right, so I have some work to
Um,
do on that unusual whales fucking thing because I I went over there. There's like 100,000 fucking posts in the last 24 hours. So I need to set some parameters on that. Or if you guys, if it's too much, just right click the channel and then you can go to notification settings and mute it. You can mute the channel so it's your phones or computers aren't blowing up every minute or so whenever they post.
Patel, what did you want me to give you Tesla for? What do you want? Intraday, macro? What do you want? Tesla's in a wedge. It's garbage. This is macro and intraday. Intraday, it's at supply. That's supply. 322 is supply. Demand is 315, 316. Tesla's garbage also, in my opinion. Let me see Mara. What's Mara doing? Mara garbage. Guys, today is not the day to unload your whole mortgage into the market. We do a crazy dumpster.
You
Very
think
careful
so?
today, guys. I hate when we're doing blue skies territory like this.
Think we go straight dumpster mode?
Every single time we make a brand new all-time high pre-market, we do dumpster mode in the beginning of the time. This is not the first time I said this. And it always happens. Plus structure is bearish micro. Micro on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Lower lows, lower highs.
Look at
So
Wednesday.
I'm getting
Look at July 2nd. Wednesday, July 2nd. Fresh all-time high. Blast off.
By the way, your voice is very choppy. It's like it's choppy, and then you sound like this, like very 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 fast.
Really? Hold on.
Yeah. Actually,
How about now?
energy drinks and Zoloft.
Who said
Energy
that?
drinks and Zoloft.
Fuck you, Joey.
Fucking hilarious.
I'm not I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. I'm waiting to see what the hell they do. For me, today is the deciding factor is gonna be how the order flow looks. If bears are just pouring in to short all-time high again, then I'm gonna think that they're gonna try to keep it elevated. So if we do get a pullback, I'm gonna be expecting a nice big bounce. We shall see. I can't read this market yet until it's open. QQQ gapped up like crazy. QQQ's way above all-time highs.
Actually, guys, scratch that. I'm not doing puts right at open. There's not much meat on the bone for puts now at open. There's nothing. Because 639.30s is
Price target's like
639.30s is
638.
a support. So I'm not gonna do puts at open. I'm just gonna wait. There's not a lot of meat on the bone for puts right now, but we'll see.
I'd say price target's like 638.80s if they crack. That's about it.
Joey, did you eat the food from last night?
Yeah, I ate it when I got back at like fucking 2 o'clock in the morning.
Get those drunk munchies.
Nice.
Well, it was fucking great.
How's the hotel? Is it nice?
It's all right. I mean, it's pretty nice. The room's kind of small, but a typical New York hotel, I guess.
Yeah. They have a
Stayed
rooftop,
in
right?
it, no, Ryan? Yeah, you stayed in that room.
Which one? What is it, Tribeca?
Tribeca.
Oh, same place?
Yeah.
With the rooftop?
Yep.
Yeah, same place with the rooftop. I recommend it. That's a
that
joy.
place is nice. I like that place.
This is very nice.
That's New York, buddy. All the rooms in New York are
Yeah,
small.
they're all small like that.
Unless you want to spend $1,000 a night.
No, for the price, you can't fucking beat it. Free breakfast and everything.
Yeah.
Did you get breakfast already?
No, I went and got a fucking bagel from downstairs.
So you did get
So-
breakfast.
Holy shit.
Did you get
You
breakfast?
know, guys,
No.
we made a higher high on SPY, but we never made a lower low on the VIX.
I don't know. I'm gonna short on NQ, and this fucking thing's just going.
Higher high, VIX, lower low.
QQQ's breaking demand right now.
It's a very interesting price action, guys. We want to go south, maybe, but they don't want to just want to show that they keep going north and north and north.
If they wanted
One
to
day we're gonna have that crazy 3% down day. One day. Catch it. I just want to catch it, honestly.
shouldn't tap it in.
Your sound again is like wild, Ryan.
What
Like
the
you're-
fuck? Is it just you, or could all you guys hear me like that?
I don't know. It's like you're talking in like ×3 speed.
What? Is it just your computer, or do I sound like that?
No. Yeah, you sound a little.
All right, hold on. Market's about to open. I'm not taking a trade right at open anyway.
Hey, Ryan, I can go out on the Canal Street and get you another set of earbuds.
Hold on. Okay, I'm back. How about now?
Hey, Ryan,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out on Canal Street today and get you another set of earbuds.
It's not my earbuds. Talking into a microphone, you fuck. QQQ, look at QQQ's
Alright,
dumping.
market
QQQ's dumping. I'm not gonna be hasty and jump right in. Let's see what they want to do.
Yeah.
QQQ already cracked demand and heading south, so we'll see how far SPY wants to go. There's probably going to be profit takers, like Dimitri said, but I'm expecting a big bounce to come in somewhere. We'll see.
I'm in puts, guys. I just got into puts. My plan was to get puts real quick and just get out.
This is
Just want a little bit of profit, a little bit more profit.
638.80s is
See?
profit taking zone.
Keep going. Woo-hoo! I'm all out, guys. I'm all out. There you go. $1,700. That was my plan. I knew that this would happen because profit takers are always lurking in the market.
QQQ's still
That's
going.
it, guys.
Qs are still
This was my
pulling.
plan.
Give it some time. See how far they go. Look at Qs, man.
Keep going. This is great.
I don't
A
recommend
little
chasing
bit lower
puts.
is the back test of the broken trend line, guys. A little bit lower.
I do not recommend chasing
Little
puts
bit
from
lower.
here, though.
A little bit lower. We're about to back test the broken trend line. A little bit lower. Now I have calls on my screen for that broken trend line. Just a little bit lower.
I'm waiting. Not even 2 minutes into market open. I'm gonna wait a little bit. See what they want to do.
Just made a grand on top
Still looking weak. QQQ. Still looking
See,
weak.
just
on
popped
the
in, guys. POC. Why is POC here? I'm in calls, guys. What the fuck? What's wrong with my fills? I don't understand.
QQQ still looking weak. 638.80s is Tuesday's pre-market supply. It was also a cluster from after hours yesterday, a little bit below.
Why am I on the IRA account?
You have to switch it at the top.
Okay, yeah, I just did that.
QQQ still looking weak. QQQ still wants to go south. When I see a big power bounce come in, I'll chase a candle north, but I'm not interested in this yet.
Okay, guys, I have to call Schwab again. It's ridiculous. I wanted to get calls, guys. It's not allowing me, so excuse me.
Oh, look
This
at
is fucking ridiculous. This is ridiculous, guys. Schwab just costed me a lot of money again.
there's the bounce. I'm not in anything. Still waiting. How do premiums look today? Premiums look good. IV's up. What's the order flow? Put side heavy. Order flow put side heavy. Give us some time, guys. Patience, 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 patience. QQQ still hanging out at the bottom. Spy's bouncing. I'd like to see if we come back to that floor, 639.60s, 70s, and retest and reject. I'll get 639 puts on my screen, but I'm going to wait. I'm not going to enter yet. If I see the Qs take the floor, I'll jump back in. I'm in puts. I'm going to try this here. 639 puts QQQ. I want to see QQQ take the floor. Still sellers here. VWAP, I'll go bigger into my position. I'll add it VWAP if we get there. And then if we flip that previous floor, then I'll take a loss. Looking for a fresh low potential. I have 5 cents here. I'm not going to take it yet. Here we go. POC is here. QQQ is trying to print a fresh low. I'm still holding. Double bottom. I'm going to take 50 contracts off. Wow, I got 21 cents right now. Holy shit. I'm going to take 50 contracts off right here. Double bottom. Holding 50. Let's see. This is exit zone. If they bounce off of this, this is exit zone. I'm just holding 50 to see if QQQ cracks and continues south. It should drag SPY with it. Fresh low, I'm all out. QQQ is still trying to push south. Sellers are here. One more candle I'm going to sell most likely. Yeah, I'm going to take it, guys. I'm out. 23.50. First trade. Not bad. That was nice. It's a nice little nugget right there. I like the weakness on Qs. Qs is looking horrible. I might rinse and repeat this as long as we don't take out that 935 candle. The top of that 935 candle. Premiums are moving nice today, Den. That thing popped up to like 20 cents. I want them to go back up first. I'm not going to participate in anything right here. POC's right here. So either they go back up and reject that 639.16 area, or VWAP most likely somewhere in there. But I'm not going to chase puts here. Even though we're weak, I just don't want to get caught in a nasty bounce if they do a bounce.
Media affiliate, the Schwab Network. Visit schwabnetwork.com to learn more.
Oh,
You guys
God.
there?
Yeah.
For today's market action. Around the unchanged line for most
Dude, my
coins.
contracts are flying, Dimitri.
Very weird. I can't hear you guys.
You can't hear me? Maybe if you had the Temu AirPods all along. Can you guys hear me?
No, we can't.
Yes, you can.
Sorry, guys. I'm an idiot. I had my monitor speakers on mute.
Dimitri, I caught puts. I don't know if you heard me, but I caught puts. Contracts exploded just from this small move from 639.15 to double bottom, 21 cents.
Yeah, I made my kids account $1,700. I was on a IRA account trading. My account again is locked. I don't know why.
It always locks you when you touch the IRA.
I literally just made a trade on the IRA. Weird. But this is very bearish, guys. Look at the conditions. Volume is bearish. Everything's bearish. That's what I see.
Oh, today's the end of the month. Same days are end of the month.
Don't forget, guys. End of the month. Max Payne. There's a shit ton of fucking
Max Payne's
options
620.
expiry. Exactly. We could really do a crazy dumpster today, guys. Crazy dumpster.
Looks like Q's.
Look at the 1 minute conditions, guys. 1 minute conditions looking horrible.
Looks like Q's is all set going south for right now. I think they're gonna try to do a bounce soon. Let's see. QQQ is looking like they try to bounce. SPY looking like they want to continue lower. I'm still hands off. We're bearish. I don't want to chase puts at the low of day. I don't want to get caught in a bounce, so I'm gonna wait. If I see power come in, I'm gonna jump in 639
Albert,
calls.
Yo, Albert, I hope your friend sold that medical that thing that he had.
If I see power come in, I'm gonna chase 639 calls for a candle or two.
He didn't sell. He's gonna hold forever, right? Yeah, good job.
Guys, look at the put side.
Yeah.
Put to call
Yeah.
ratio. Put side heavy. Very
It's
put
good.
side
It's
heavy.
good, Albert. Why would we take profit? We don't take profits these days.
What was he holding?
He's a typical fucking retard that fucking never sells anything. These are typical retail traders that just hold, and then when they start losing, then they double up, and then their contract goes to zero. It's a typical retard fucking.
780 calls on Meta. When did he get in? You learned it from Dimitri Norville.
Wow. He learned it from me. Guys, this is the back test of the broken trend line.
I'm looking for calls.
We're right at the broken trend line, guys.
I'm looking for calls as long as QQQ holds this little demand zone that they're trying to create here. If they flush the floor out, I'm not gonna be interested. But I'm looking for like
I would
a
do
power
calls
bounce.
here, guys. I would do calls.
Dude, stop cutting me off. You keep
If I was
talking
able
over
to
me.
trade.
Do you not hear me? You're very aggressive today. You keep talking over me.
Alright, let me mute my mic. Take it over, guys. Take it over.
Well, I'm just saying, when I'm talking, you keep talking over me. I was just talking about calls. I'm in 639's, $1.13 average. I want to retest to this 638.45 floor. I'm up 8 cents already. Instant 8 cents. QQQ's hanging out at the floor. If they flush the floor, I'm going to book my profit. I'm looking for a small little push, maybe a POC somewhere in there. 13 cents here. You know what? I'm going to take 50 off. Contracts are moving very nice today. Contracts are moving very, very nice today. I'm going to sit in these 50. If we flush the floor out, then I'll just stop myself out, break even on the runners. I like how Q's is trying to hold, make some type of demand Q's. My mic is messed up still. Shannon? Is that why Dimitri's talking over me? Maybe he doesn't hear me. Oh. Dimitri, I'm sorry. They're saying that my mic's off and on. Hold on, let me get out of this. I'm break even here on runners. QQQ is looking like they're going to go lower. I'm most likely going to stop my runners for break even. Let's see. Yep. Just stop my runners at break even. 28.50. I'm gonna disconnect the live to come back in again. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Hold on. Alright. You guys hear me now? Yes? No? Better?
Yeah, you're good. I hear you.
I thought you were talking over me, Dimitri, but apparently my mic was cutting in and out, so you probably didn't hear me.
You owe me an apology.
I'm about to jump back in calls. I see power coming in. I'm back in calls, 639 calls. I want us to try to flip POC. I'm only in 50 contracts here. If we pull back, I'll load 50 more in. I see power trying to come in. MACD's curling. MACD looks horrible on Qs. Oh, God. That looks like an agenda candle. I'm going to load 50 more. Oh, I got $1.16 average. Okay, I'm in 100 now. I don't like that rejection. That's no good. $1.12 is my average. We're at $1.07. I'm down 3 cents here now. Little pop. I see sloping resistance creating, so if once we pop and I can potentially get out break even, I'm probably just going to get out of this. I don't like that rejection. That candle is no good. That 945 candle is no good. Could be the shakeout for the bulls before they go up, but I do not like that lightning candle. Break even here. Let's see. We need to clear 638.40s for bulls to really step in. 638.40s needs to get cleared off. QQQ is continuously leaking. Everything's bearish. This is going to be my last attempt at calls, and if this gets rejected again, then I'm now no longer going to be call focused. But 638.40s, I got profit here. I want to see if 638.40s gets taken out. I got a lot of profit now. A whopping 5 cents. See 638.40s if bulls step in or not. I got 6 cents here, 100 contracts. Okay, I'm about to have 10 cents. There we go. 11 cents. I'm going to take 50 off. This is where we just rejected. This was our previous floor from 939. I'm going to hold 50 runners and see if they try to do some type of reversal here now. This is where they can reject from.
MBZ. You never ask that kind of question. We don't care if the gap fills, buddy, unless you're playing macro. We care about 2, 3 candles. 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, max. Be a parasite in the market. Get money going up, get money going down. Who cares where they go?
This is supply here. This is where you trim some off. I'm holding runners to see if they flip it. If they flip this supply, VWAP would still be a lower high. If they flip the supply here, they can head to VWAP and it would still be a lower high. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Printing, printing, printing. Oh yeah, beautiful, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I'm going to take 25. I'm going to take another 25. This is POC. I'm down to 25. My break even is $1.07 on these runners. We're at $1.29. If we lose this floor here that we were making at 937, I'll dump my runners. But do you guys see the floor at 638.40s that we made? Our first touch was 931, 932. Second touch was 937. We broke below it, rejected it with that nasty candle at 945. Now we're back above, trying to reclaim this floor. That's why I'm going to stay in these runners. What the fuck, really?
Your mic is completely dog shit, honestly.
Is it my microphone or is it my AirPods?
I have no idea. You can't be heard. I was just actually texting you. I didn't want to interrupt you.
Oh, well, I'm still holding my calls. What's a sure mic?
Higher, guys, is the price target. A little bit higher. Sloping resistance is about to hit. If you look at my screen, you'll see where the price target is.
I'm about to exit here. VWAP. I just want to see if they flip VWAP
A little
now.
bit higher.
I'm going to exit, guys. I'm all out. I'm all out.
What an easy day to scalp, honestly. This was very easy. Charles Schwab just cost me a lot of money.
Did anybody catch those calls with me? Or did you not hear me?
That was fucked up.
You hear me fine? I wonder what the fuck it is.
Yeah, I'm still on the phone with Charles Schwab, man. I don't know why my account is fucking locked always.
Are you gonna go do some Karen type shit? Guys,
No,
if they
it's
flip
fine, dude.
if they flip VWAP, they're gonna take off. QQQ's also at supply.
They're not. No, they're not, guys. This is price target. I would do puts here, guys.
If they flip VWAP, they're gonna take off. QQQ's at supply. They got a lot of room.
This is price target, in my opinion, guys. Is I would do puts here.
Okay. You would already been up like freaking 15 cents.
I would have been down already. Thank God I'm not in puts. Oh, you were right.
QQQ's got room. This is supply on QQQ, 572.88. That's what I'm looking at. If Q's breaks through 572.88, they have a push to VWAP. They could push to VWAP. The 200, actually 639.66 is price target right now, in my opinion.
I'm just gonna be.
Conditions are changing. We could still make a lower high out of pre-market though. Do you see the sloping resistance from pre-market? Do you guys see that? They can still make a lower high. QQQ just flipped supply. Market's back. Market's back on their bullshit. Anybody in call still? Any champions? We bottom ticked. If we got any champions, we bottom ticked. Congratulations. Once QQQ gets to VWAP, that's where I would take profit. That's where I would take profit on SPY.
Alright, guys, I'm back.
Any champions?
Yeah, we are back, baby. I just got into puts just as an experimental on my account.
We're already past VWAP mark on SPY. I'm looking at VWAP on QQQ. 573.40s. Once QQQ gets to VWAP, that's where I'd say exit zone on SPY would be. It's going to line up with that pre-market floor. 639.60s, 65, somewhere in there. And if they take that out and we get back into that pre-market floor, I would say market's going to try to be bullish today.
Did you do something different with your microphone? You sound like a robot still.
I didn't. I don't fucking know, man.
Yeah.
I could try restarting my computer. I'll be gone for a few minutes. Let me see.
It's like super speed and then like robotic.
It's super speed. Let me see. How about now? How about now?
I just added to my put trades. I just have puts.
Is
I
this,
have August 5th puts. 640 in the money. How about what now? Yeah, it's good now.
okay, how about now?
This is pre-market floor. We're at the pre-market floor. Hey, you're fine. You're fine. Now you're fine.
Better?
Wow. Market is just ripping out all these levels.
Yes, it is. I bottom ticked. Look at the contracts, guys. $1.81 those contracts are at. I got in at $1.07. Any champions?
Look at these.
Anybody holding?
Your thing is again, by the way, all fucked up.
What the fuck?
This is the pre-market floor. If we make it into a ceiling, then that's good. I just keep adding, guys. I'm just adding. I don't have same days. It's on and off relatively. Wow. Holy shit. You're supposed to reject here very nicely. Yeah. Yeah, this is supposed to have a rejection zone. Supposed to reject here nicely. I don't know if they want to do it or not. I am down, 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 down. I just added again.
Testing, testing. Is this working?
5 minutes conditions are bearish.
Okay.
Super bullish.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Oh, you're great now.
Do I sound beautiful?
Refreshing. All right. I'm getting lunch. Back test this nice trend line, guys. My price target is a little bit below VWAP. A little bit below VWAP. My price target. A little bit more.
I'm gonna wait. I don't see anything yet. I don't want to chase puts, and we bounce too much to jump in calls here. If anything, if we pull back to POC and hold POC area, maybe I'd try calls again. But QQQ rejected VWAP.
All right. Oh, buddy, this could be the lower low. This could be the lower high, guys. Look at the 5 minute candle, the one that closed at 9:55. This could have been the lower high. Market could make a whole lower low. The structure is still bearish, guys.
Yes, sir,
Structure
Albert.
is still bearish. Micro.
Albert, I typically only trade same days unless the IV is like through the moon, like 70-80% IV. I won't touch same days. And we only
If
have
we
those.
blow past this candle, we're gonna be very bullish. If we blow past 9:58 candle.
Yeah, that's the 200.
But according to the 5 minute candle, guys, this could have been a lower high. Just look at this death wick. Market is not giving it easy.
Let me look at
Not
something
giving it
really
easy.
quick. Holy shit, dude.
Wow. What are you looking at?
Put to call
You're
ratio
looking
is
at the
more.
put to call?
Yeah. They're not going to go down.
Oh wow, double put.
They're not
Holy
gonna go
shit. You know
down.
what? I just added.
They're not going to go down.
I just added. I'm holding a boatload of puts right now, guys.
No, dude, this
I
means
do believe
this means they're going to go higher.
Oh, but I'm looking at the 5-minute candle. This 5-minute candle could be a lower high micro candle.
Dude,
You never know.
whenever I see the put to call ratio that far spread apart, the herd wants the market to go south. They're not going to bring it south.
That makes sense, 100%, yeah. Your mic is again fucked up, by the way. I think you should invest a little bit more money into a better setup, buddy.
I don't understand. My setup is super expensive. And this is the mic that you told me to buy. You sent me the link.
It's like your voice. Let me record you how you sound.
Yeah,
Actually,
please.
you're gonna listen to it on YouTube. You can just listen to yourself on YouTube.
No, it
You
won't.
sound like a fucking robot.
It won't because I'm speaking into my OBS. My system's gonna pick up my mic. I think it's the it might be my internet connection. Let me see.
Maybe, yeah, that makes sense. Ugh, this is do or die for the Bears. If Bears lose this level, guys, we are going to fucking blue skies. Blue skies if we lose this level. Yeah.
If they do a
It's gonna
liquidity
be
sweep,
extreme.
if they do a liquidity sweep and have a nice pullback candle, I'm gonna jump in calls just based off of the data that I'm seeing. I'm very confident they're gonna head north today. I just don't want to buy
The
calls
VIX
here.
did not make a lower low. I literally added like 10 seconds ago again. I'm holding a shit ton. Shit ton. But August 5th, 640 puts. So I do believe we're gonna go to POC at this point. 638.59. We never backtested many levels, guys.
I'm loading the boat on
UAP was
calls.
never backtested.
If we get a nice pullback, I'm loading the boat on calls. This was the same type of data that I saw last week. When it's this spread apart, it means they're cooking something. Get the Bears excited, and then a V-shaped reversal comes in. Let them pull back first, Albert. Let's see how far they go. QQQ's starting to roll
Patient,
over.
Albert. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, Albert, this looks like a lower high rejection. It needs to confirm by going below 639.22, and it's about to confirm, I think. Yep. Let's go. Lower high rejection, guys. Structure is bearish. We are going to make a lower low potentially. And this could be a one and done trade for me. Oh, this is going to be beautiful if this happens. Oh boy.
I want them to slice VWAP and hold POC, and I'm going long off the POC area. 638.60s, somewhere in there.
This level is strong. This is a pre-market level that I have here. I can't believe it's that strong right now.
Depending on how far we pull back, Albert, either 639s or 638s, but 638s are quite expensive right now.
Wow, SPY is relentless. Or they're just showing nothing because there's a lot of puts on the board. They're doing this on purpose. There's a bunch of puts on the board.
Let's see what the order flow looks like.
Make more money going down, guys, in my opinion, but they gotta take their time. They make more money going down.
Look at all the puts coming in.
Correct, yeah. But they do make more money going down, Ryan, technically, because all the people swung calls or puts. All the people that swung calls already cashed out, hopefully, but all the people that swung puts are like...
QQQ's about to
they're
break
done.
through VWAP. They're going to go vacuum. I wanted them to pull back a little bit more than what they did.
I don't think they're gonna go vacuum today. Today's not the day for it.
All the people, I feel like the herd was bearish, dude, on FOMC. Like people swung puts yesterday.
Correct. And listen to yourself. People swung puts, correct? They don't have to go all the way down to the gap fill.
Yeah,
Just go to the center and cock tease them. They could just cock tease them. And
they
the
can't really go
center of
further.
yesterday's previous closing price. Look, if you do 50% from today's highs
They
and
can't
to
go
the
past
center of yesterday,
636.
637. Let them
Yeah.
go to 637 and just chop there. Chop, 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 chop at 637 to 636.50. It doesn't make sense for them to go higher. Because who the fuck in their right mind swung calls yesterday? They did.
Nancy Pelosi probably did.
That's why I'm bearish today. I'm a little bit bearish till 637 to 636 level. Like yesterday's cluster zone at the top, 636.80s. I think they should consolidate there. Personally,
I just this put to call ratio is really throwing my bias for a loop because if the herd is this bearish, dude, they're not gonna go down fast. It's gonna take a lot of time. 600,000.
look at the delta between 0 to 20 though. The herd has 800,000 puts, 0 to 20. They're morons. That means it's out of the money.
I'm trading. I'm trading.
They're holding the 0 to 20 delta. Don't forget the puts. They're way out of the money. Don't forget.
Yeah.
Arthur, I muted your mic, buddy. Let me know if you want to talk. I'll unmute. Any of you guys that have the little red thing next to your name, that means that it's server muted. If you want to talk, I can unserver mute you. Just let us know. I'm in no trade right now. I'm just waiting. I want to see what their game plan is.
Hey, can we set up like it automatically spits it where this unusual whale thing? It automatically spits something that it's unusual as far as puts or calls on SPY or QQQ.
Yeah, that's what I was talking to Jim about. Jim was saying like 250 to 500,000 plus, and then have it shoot it out. But do you want it just for SPY or you want it for QQQ as well?
SPY, QQQ, that would be great.
Here, I'll do QQQ right now.
All right, we are eating right now. We are eating. I'm going to hold these puts, guys, to low of day.
QQQ's bullish.
No, everything looking bullish, but structure is still bearish micro. So let's see.
That's funny, Norval. Hey, I'm working here.
Ma! The meatloaf!
Fuck. What movie was that from? Wedding Crashers?
Yep.
Ryan, yeah, I'm up for almost 5,000 on the day. I hit bottom tick calls. Bottom tick calls, buddy.
That was the perfect call play, man. I wish I had that in, man. They fucking froze my
right
account.
now I'm not in anything right now. I'm just waiting. I personally think that they're gonna do a liquidity sweep, maybe to POC area, 638.60s, and then they're gonna put a crazy big bounce with a higher low and try to head north today, just based off of the data.
Buddy.
638.60s. I would most likely potentially load the boat, depending on what Q's does.
I want the broken trend line to backtest, guys. VWAP is gonna break. I'm still holding. I am up an extreme amount of money right now. A lot of money I'm up. I am still holding. I'm not selling. Keep going. This was a lower high, and I'm waiting for a lower low, as I stated before. Micro, we're still bearish.
Don't be greedy on this, dude. I'm telling you, something's cooking.
I'm still holding. I don't have same days,
I got
so theta is
639
not gonna
calls on
wreck
my
me.
screen. I'm in 639 calls. I'm gonna try this. See if this was just a pullback to take the supply out. I'll give it to POC. That's where I really want to be in full size position. POC 638.60s.
I'm still in, guys. I'm literally gonna hold this to low of day actually. Structure is lower low, lower highs. According to the 5-minute time frame, we're supposed to make a lower low or equal low. They're just fucking with us right now.
I'm green. Very green.
You should be green, yeah. We fucking bounced nicely.
I want to see if we take out the supply at the 200. QQQ is at the floor though. If QQQ rejects this floor, you have to sell it. I'm going to try to let this sucker work. I truly believe we're going to head north today. Put the call ratio data doesn't lie. Just the further we pull back,
Norval, that's hilarious.
the further we pull back, the better it would be for a bounce. But I don't want to miss the party if they try to start it now. I got 6 cents here. Nothing much.
Did you crack a can today?
Yeah, I cracked a can early. I was tired. I woke up tired again. Having trouble sleeping lately. Because all that money that we've been making. Just kidding.
Oh yeah.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't usually smoke like that. I'll take an edible, like a gummy or something, but nice indica gummy.
Hey, Rye.
Yo.
So we ordered food, right? And we're sitting at the table, and waitress comes up. He's like, "How long till the food's ready?" He says 45 minutes. He says, "We're gonna go smoke. We'll be back in a little bit."
QQQ's trying to be bearish or bullish, but they're rejecting the floor. If they get back into the channel, SPY's going to get sucked back up to the 200. There we go. I want them to clean break the 200 and just peel out of here. POC popped in on Qs.
I'm still in, guys. I am break even on my puts. This is POC. We're gonna dance here for a while.
Oh,
It's
buddy.
POC. They're just gonna control price here.
I got 7 cents here. I'm still waiting. 10 cents almost.
Playing a macro move, guys. I'm playing a whole cycle, so this trade what I'm playing is gonna take a while. I'm playing the 5-minute cycle. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. That's what I'm playing. I'm waiting for equal lows or a lower low. It might take time.
I'm playing the higher low based off the 1 minute. And conditions are bullish right now, in my opinion. And the data is making me kind of bull bias. But POC just came in here. I have 10 cents. I want to see us clean out the 200 and we should be off to the races. 12 cents here. QQQ's pumping.
Does not make sense, this structure, honestly. We did 3 rejections.
I'm going to sell
Supposed
50
to go
contracts
lower.
off. I'm going to sell 50 off just in case we reject here because we now have POC both on QQQ and SPY right here. I took some profit just in
This
case
structure does not make sense. We're supposed to flush, guys. We're supposed to flush from the 5-minute structure.
I'm not trading the 5 minute. I'm just trading this 1 minute bullshit. Every time we make a new high, dude, all the bears step in and want this sucker to go collapse mode. And we're just way too bear side heavy intraday, in my opinion. I don't think we're going to go south far. But there's also no need for them to go blue skies and do a full full ass breakout again, like you said. I don't know. I want us to see if we could flip the 200. That's it. I'm in 50 runners now. Just chilling. I took 13 cents. I took half off. I don't like how we both have POC, both on QQQ and SPY.
Be very careful if you're in calls, guys. This is very, very weird because we rejected 3 times on the 5-minute time frame. Supposed to go lower low. That was a lower high rejection.
But do you
Be
make
very
money?
careful. It might work though. It might work because this market is very irrational.
But do you make money? I'm still green. I'm chilling. I took half off. I'm chilling. We got to crack VWAP with power for me to get spooked out of this thing. And I'll most likely probably get into another position around 638.60s to try to go long again. And it's just solely just based off of the data right now. 1.4 million puts to 600,000 calls. Something's cooking. If we
There's
clean
nothing
up,
here. POC keeps dancing the price.
if we clean out the 200 right now, I'm probably going to add back into this, to be honest. William style. Just add to the winners. That means you could take 300 freaking percent losers to 100 freaking percent. I saw that too, Norville. Yeah, I posted that earlier. Big sloping resistance from pre-market. It's closer to 640s though. 640.10. That's going to be the next hurdle if we get out of this little range here. If we get out of this range and take out the 200, that's going to be our next hurdle. That's massive sloping resistance. And those are long cycles. Look how long those cycles took.
I'm bearish, and I am not leaving. I am very, very bearish today, guys. Very bearish.
What are you in a taxi right now? Where are you headed?
Joey, next time you come to New York, it's easier to get a private driver. Private driver is going to cost you cheaper than taxis and Ubers.
Yeah, didn't Skylar say that? Skylar spent like a couple $1,000 on Ubers just being in New York for the week.
Yeah. Private driver is the way to go. I'm not leaving, guys. I have an obscene amount of profit right now. I am not leaving. Structure dictates we're going to take the lows out or equal lows. I'm not leaving. That's how structure dictates it, but I might leave at 638.11. 638.11. Right now, I'm not leaving. I'm still in. I'm up a crazy bag right now. One trade.
Yeah, how many contracts you in? You're probably in 600 contracts.
150.
How much are you up?
4,700. I'm not leaving yet, guys. She has more room. This is a lower high rejection. We're supposed to go lower low or equal low. They're just fucking with me right now. I know for a fact they're gonna go equal lows.
I'm still in. I actually just added. I'm back to 100 contracts. Something's telling me that we're gonna take out this resistance, but I could be wrong. I'm only down $600 here. $1.42 is my average. 639 calls I have. If we pop up again and reject, I'll take my $50 contracts that I added back off, and then If we keep pulling back, I'll just keep nibbling for my dollar cost averaging the way I like to dollar cost average. But right now, this is the bear cycle. 638.40 is probably going to be my make or break. $22,000 steps yesterday. Sheesh. Can't even tell you the last time I did 22,000 steps.
In Universal Studios.
Oh yeah, dude, that's all
I was
day.
shocked.
And it's hot.
I was shocked.
And it's hot too.
That was I think that was a world record for me. I never did that much in my life. I think I did like 19,000 steps that day. I was like, whoa. I don't know, guys. We're supposed to break the floor. I'm still in. I have a huge amount of profit here, but I'm not selling anything. If we just go up right now, this is just pure fuckery. Pure fuckery. I'm trading with structure, guys. This is purely structure trading. This is no levels, no indicators. I'm trading lower low, lower high on the 5-minute time frame.
Data's telling me that we're going to go north. I'm only down 2 cents here. I'm about to be break even here. But this is VWAP. QQQ still stair-stepping south. Once sloping resistance cracks, I think they're going to take off. This micro sloping resistance. I'm still up 5,000 on the day. I'm break even on this trade. So I'm chilling. I'm staying. I just flip green. Dude, you know what I think it is too, partially, Dimitri? This market turned me into such a bull because supply, they show supply and sloping resistance and then they freaking blow through it like butter.
Yeah, recently I've noticed that. They don't respect anything as far as supply, but I'm trading structure. Sorry to break it up to you, but I think you're going to lose this trade.
I mean,
I'm just telling you.
I'm up 5,000 on the day and I'm only down 3 cents here, so it's not really about losing. It's just how much I want to risk. I'll give it to 638.40.
We're supposed to fucking test the lows, man. We're supposed to test the lows. This is ridiculous how long it's taking them.
I don't think that they're gonna go
We're
down.
supposed to test the lows. At least 638.10. We're supposed to test 638.10. What the fuck is market doing right now? Lower low, lower high. Rejection. 15 minutes of rejection. 9:55 rejection. 10 o'clock rejection. 10:05 rejection. We're supposed to test the lows, guys. We're supposed to. Go. Keep going. You're supposed to go. This is how structure works.
638.40s is the best area to try to go long, in my opinion.
Going. Keep going. You're supposed to go lower. Going. You know what? One more tick and I'm out. One more tick. Because the 5-minute 200 EMA is here. One more tick and I'm going to be out. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. And we are all out. That's it, guys. I'm out. Sold. We're supposed to make a lower low or equal low, guys. I just took my profits because I'm satiated. We're supposed to go lower as per structure. Anybody took that? Nice first trade for me. A little measly amount.
I'm still in. I'm waiting for sloping resistance to break. If they do it, QQQ's just looking a lot more bearish now than SPY. It's my only concern. If QQQ takes the low a day out, then I'm most likely going to exit. 638.40s is going to be my line in the sand. Then I'll make my decision. Just be careful, Albert. We have lower highs and lower lows.
Careful,
Dimitri's
Albert.
not wrong. Dimitri's not wrong.
Telling you, we're supposed to go low of day, guys. We're supposed to go low of day.
I'm waiting for a bear trap based off of data, which I think is going to pay. I truly think it's going to pay. I'm only down 600, 420, 300 bucks. I'm about to flip green here again.
This is complete fuckery. I'm going to re-enter, guys. A little bit higher, I'm going to re-enter.
I just flipped green. I want to blast off. I'm not looking to sell yet. I'm probably going to take my ad off, though. I'll take 50 contracts off. Go back to 100. I just went back to 100 contracts. I have a $1.24 average on 639 calls. Let this sucker work. QQQ still sloping resistance.
I'm
is
back in.
respected.
I'm back in. This is gonna be a beautiful trade. Now low of day, guys. Now low of fucking day. I'm back in. I realized it's because of the data. They don't want to go fast, but they're supposed to go lower due to structure. But because of data, this is what they're doing. They're just fucking with us.
They gotta drop
Because
the
there's
bears off
literally
first,
double.
though. They gotta
There's double
spook,
amount of puts. Double.
They gotta spook the bears out though first. They gotta spook them all out. They're not spooking them right now. If I was bear biased, I would just keep hammering puts, but the data is telling me something different.
I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I will be super bullish, guys, if 639.80s is taken out. The top of 955 candle is taken out, guys, on the 5-minute time frame. I will be super bullish. Right now, structure is lower lows and lower highs.
My speech or
E5 is the
Dimitri's?
line of the sand. Oh, yours, Ryan. Your speech is 10 times, yeah, fast. Very fast. It's been like this forever.
I don't know what the fuck. I don't know, guys. I'll have to restart my computer and everything after, but I'm still in. I'm in profit here. Waiting for a bigger move. Something's cooking. Something's cooking. Albert, don't be a hero. If you
I
have
just
profit,
added-
just shave some, because this is view up. Don't be a hero, Albert. I'm up
Just added?
6,000 on the day, so I can stomach a loss. You're trading very heavy, buddy.
15-minute chart does look like we have a higher low, correct? But it depends on what cycle you're playing and breezy. I'm playing the 5-minute chart cycle. 5-minute chart, as you can see, it's lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You gotta watch the break of structure class and breezy. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high.
This is the bear cycle, and they're not pushing
That's
down.
what I'm playing. I'll show you a picture of what I see, M Breezy, because I know you're new. Oh, right here is what I see. See? Look at my blue arrows. That's why that break of structure in green is going to be the line of the sand for bears, and that's going to be the line of the sand for me. If we break that, you're super bullish, but notice that above it is macro sloping resistance. Not really macro, but you get it from the pre-market sloping resistance. So I'm a little bit more bearish now because of the setup. You get it? Structure is bearish. Break of structure is literally below that sloping resistance. And the reason why they're doing this fuckery is because of the data, in my opinion. So I'm very bear biased right now. But I'm explaining it to you guys why I'm bear biased. Market overall is bullish. I get it. Obviously, market is bullish, but I want to be in this for 5 minutes, buddy. I don't give a fuck about the market. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, we are printing right now. QQQ also relatively has an empty pocket. If you zoom out of QQQ's chart,
is looking weak
QQQ
now.
should go to 569. So we are printing like crazy right now, guys. Printing.
638.40s is my line in the sand.
Printing, baby. Equal low or lower low, guys. Printing. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, woohoo! Going. Did I sell?
QQQ's looking like they're going to try to print the fresh low. SPY's sitting right on demand, 638.40s.
Going. I know you want to go lower. Structure is telling me that you want to go lower, and you're just fucking with me right now. I know you want to go lower. You're supposed to go lower as per structure. Boom. I will sell everything at my orange line, guys. 638.10. I'll sell everything.
I just added.
I'm not trying to hold. There you go. A little bit lower. Boom.
This is my line in the sand here, 638.40s. QQQ's looking like they're going to take the floor out, go fresh low a day. So double bottom, high possibility we get double bottom on SPY now, 637.80s. I have a $1.18 average now on 639 calls. I'm down 4 cents. QQQ double bottom.
QQQ made a lower low. Does QQQ have a divergence on its 1 minute chart? Let me see. QQQ.
No.
1 minute QQQ. Does it have a divergence? Yes,
No.
yes it does. Look at the MACD. Look at the MACD, guys. If the MACD rolls over on QQQ, it's a bullish divergence on QQQ. Ugh, you motherfucker. QQQ. Bullish divergence, guys. QQQ. What
It's
the
not
fuck?
confirmed yet, though.
Yeah, it's not. I need the MACD to roll over.
I'm break even here. I'm waiting for a fucking explosion if they do it.
I don't think that we're gonna go higher. I think we should go lower as per structure. Because QQQ's conditions are still bearish. MACD did not roll over, so no bullish divergence confirmed. And we are about to print. Boom. Oh, baby. I'm out, guys. I'm all out. I am very happy on the day. I am done. Brokers fucking off.
Good job.
I'm very happy on the day, guys. 2 trades. trades, and that's it, guys. You see that trade structure? And we are done. Take care. I'll still be here with you guys.
Yeah, don't pull that shit that you did to me yesterday. It was fucked up.
It was even less. I had my first size was 150. This time I had 125. That was even less size.
If we close like this in 5 seconds, I'm probably gonna stop out.
Is any champion still holding? Guys, I told you about this when we fucking hit 10 o'clock. It's 10:38. For 38 minutes, I've been telling you guys, structure is bearish. We're supposed to go make equal lows or lower low. Good job, Albert. Good job, buddy. You're gonna learn your fucking lesson. I told you not to trade.
Why? What did Albert do? Albert,
Albert's
you're
still
in
holding
calls.
calls.
I'm still in calls, dude. I like the 638.40s. I like the floor on Qs. I like the data. I'm up a lot of money on the day. I'm okay to hold this right now.
Be very careful, guys. Structure is bearish. We are going to make a lower low or equal low. Be very careful on calls. Look at the cloud conditions now in the 1 minute, guys. Cloud conditions are changing. Everything is becoming more bearish, guys. POC dropped even lower. That means they want to control the price even lower now. But this
We
is what
have
I see,
continuous
guys. I'm not in a
squeeze.
position.
We also have continuous
Yeah.
squeeze, bearish continuous squeeze. I'm waiting for them to try to poke through sloping resistance. We have not made a sloping resistance attempt to try to poke through it yet. It's been respected since 10 o'clock, so...
Be very careful,
I'm
guys,
not
if you have
spooked out yet.
calls.
I'll be spooked out if we really step on the gas and try to go south fast.
What a beautiful day. What the fuck do I do with myself now? I would do puts here again, guys. I would do puts here. We just rejected POC aggressively on the 1 minute time frame. I would do puts here, and we're supposed to take out the lows again of the 1038 to 1037 candles, in my opinion, because we did reject POC aggressively right now. If you're looking at my screen, we just rejected it like crazy. We're supposed to go lower now. This is why I chose August 5th contracts, because according to the data, it would take time. And I didn't want to do same days, because same days data decay would murder me.
I'm still breathing. My contracts are healthy. They're still over $1.
This is ridiculous though how slow they're going low, man. It's because of the fucking data. Yeah, look, 1.5 million versus 757. Supposed to go lower, guys. They're just playing. Too many people are loading up the puts. But as per structure, they're supposed to go lower.
I'm expecting them to shake the bears out before they really try to do some drama. I have $1.18 average. I'm only down 8 cents here. I'm in 200 contracts.
They're supposed to
QQQ
fucking
is just
flush, buddy.
stair-stepping. QQQ is just stair-stepping.
They're supposed to flush. Telling you guys, look at the 5 minute conditions. 5 minute squeeze is coming in. 10:35 a.m. and 10:40 a.m. squeeze is coming in. XD is rolling over. XD is gonna make a lower low also compared to 9:45. We're gonna flush like crazy, guys. In my opinion, I have nothing.
I'm not spooked out yet. MACD's just hugging and kissing, pushing south. Volume squeeze. We've had squeeze since 10 o'clock on the 1 minute. Lower high, lower low. Stair stepping down, sloping resistance respected. Everything's bearish. QQQ is trying to push new low. SPY is still trying to hang on. We'll see. I pretty much just gave back all my profit I made holding this fucking thing. QQQ is at low of day. QQQ is at low of day.
You guys are looking at my screen. The bottom of the channel is the price target, guys. If you guys are looking at my screen, I firmly believe that bottom of the channel is gonna hit. So, if you guys are holding, hold tight, baby. It's gonna take time though. If you have 0 dates, calculate how long it's gonna take.
I'm reverse printing.
No, Cooper, we're not gonna get a V shape until structure breaks, buddy.
I'm waiting for them to try to crack sloping resistance, Cooper. And if that's the case, if they do it, we're going to get a bear trap based off of the data. That's what I think.
Oh, this could be a higher low. This could be a higher low now. Let's see.
Yeah.
This could be a
Cooper,
higher low.
that's
I want
what
to see in the next 47 seconds this candle close green.
We still have bearish.
Look at the 5-minute
squeeze,
candle,
though.
guys.
We still have squeeze.
If this candle closes green in 36 seconds on the 5-minute time frame, this could be a higher low potential. This could be a potential W pattern. Yep, Cooper, yep, you're right. I want to see in the next 25 seconds how this candle closes. Just need to attack like crazy right now in the next 16 seconds if they want to do it.
Sloping resistance is still here. Where's my break even? My break even is at 638.70s.
Doesn't give me the conviction, guys. It's 5-minute candle. It closed red. If it closed green, I would have had a lot more conviction. This could be a higher low. I think they still want to go lower, in my opinion.
I have a feeling.
Bottom of the channel, guys. If you're looking at my screen, guys, the bottom of the channel is the price target.
I have a feeling
So
that
the
they're
longer
gonna
it
do this
takes,
all
the
damn
lower we
day.
go.
It's very slow. Stair stepping. They do the same shit going north too. This is an algo. Stair stepping down. I'm gonna give it to double bottom. If they take out the floor, then I'm not interested in this anymore. I'm already red on the day now.
Boom! Who the fuck is printing right now, baby? Take some profits, guys. Take some profit. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. She has more, guys. She has more. Bottom of the channel, guys. If you're looking at my screen, bottom of the channel. Printing, baby. Well, I'm not in. But who's printing? Please tell me who's printing.
I'm still in.
I'm not going to give you shit, Ryan, but you did say that if VWAP breaks, you're going to leave. So,
Yeah.
I don't know why you didn't follow your rule.
The data is fucking clogging my head. Everything's bearish.
You gotta see though, the data is correct, but remember, they're taking time on purpose because of the data. Guys, they have more. They have more, guys. They have more. So if you're holding runners, keep holding.
I still
have
think
more.
they're gonna. I still think they're
Everybody,
gonna trap bears.
everybody and
before
their
they-
mother, everybody and their mother is trying to get calls here, guys. They have more. They're gonna make a lower low. Structure is demanding a lower low, guys. Stay with structure. They have more. Damn, I feel like a fucking idiot for selling. I would have been up like $25,000 honestly today if I held. I knew that this would happen. I'm just impatient. I'm just very impatient, and when I see money, I take it. But I knew this would happen.
Oh, you do? Full of shit.
Good job, Shannon. Good job.
When I see money, I take it. Yeah, right.
What?
Dude, you're the biggest hold. You hold more than me. God forbid I hold one fucking trade and you got to lecture me for the last 20 minutes.
Ryan, stop.
I see sloping resistance. As soon as sloping resistance cracks, dude, they're going to bear trap. I added 50 contracts at double bottom. I'm in 250 contracts. My average is $1.13. We're at 97 cents. Albert, Dimitri's like a canker sore. You know when you bite
You're
your
not
lip?
liking me because you're in the opposite. You're in the opposite fucking direction, as I'm telling you guys.
Yeah, but you know what, dude? When you're like finally right for the day, you act like your fucking crystal ball is like God's gift. And then when you're wrong, you're just like, yeah, I'm out. I'm adding. I know.
All right.
I know, Ryan. Just wait until the bear trap comes in. If it does come in, I'm going to call Jeff.
I'm praying that a bear trap comes. I hope we fucking have a V-shaped recovery for all the people that are holding calls.
You know how
My
much
broker's off. I
you
don't
know
give
how
a fuck.
much I'm up on the day? The only problem is it's red. It's
I
not
honestly,
green.
I hope we have a bear trap, but I don't think so, guys, because it doesn't make sense. Ryan, we spoke about it. All the retards swung puts, right? They're all scrambling like retards right now. And they can go lower, but they gotta cock tease them. They should go lower. They make more money going lower, guys.
Yeah, but we didn't get the cock
Think like the
tease
market
yet.
makers.
They didn't spook them out yet. That's my thing.
Think like the market makers, guys. How do they make money today? They make money going lower.
There's a million more puts than calls right now. A million more.
That's why they're going so slow. Usually they take the elevator down, Ryan. Remember? The bears take the elevator down. How come today bears are like on fucking crutches? You get it? That's why they're doing it so slow.
I think as soon as sloping resistance breaks, they're going to freaking rock it.
In my opinion, they make more money going down today, but they're not gonna go fast today. Go down.
Where the hell's my break even? My break even's at the 50 on the 1 minute. 638. 638.69 I need for break even.
If you're holding puts, bottom of the channel is the price target, guys. The bottom of the channel is at 637.35. If you're looking at my screen, that's the price target. They have much more room to go if you're holding puts.
Okay. This is stop out zone for me. Ooh, okay.
Now structure completed a lower low, guys. Now we can bounce nicely. We can bounce very nicely. Exit all your puts, guys. Price target hit, exit everything. Get out of your puts. We have successfully made a lower low.
I'm going to reposition myself. I'm going to get out of these 639 calls. I just stopped out. 4,900 loss.
Here we go, guys. The bottom of the channel hit successfully to the T. I think we bounce here, guys. I personally think we bounce. This is a good call opportunity. I'm not taking anything. My broker's off, but that's it. Price target hit to the T.
I still think we trap, dude.
Hope we do. I hope we do because
I stopped out. I'm switching contracts. As soon as I see power come in, I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in 63.
Guys, if we break here, it is an empty pocket to 635.37. I have nothing for $2 if we break here, guys. Empty pocket, guys. We're gonna fucking collapse now. Now we're gonna collapse heavy. There's nothing here, guys. Nothing significant. I mean, we should collapse. Super bearish.
I got 63.95 SPX calls on my screen.
Hold this level. We need to hold here.
63.95 SPX calls. I'm waiting for MACD to curl up, and I see power. I'm jumping in.
Look at the conditions on the 5-minute chart,
I'm
guys.
in.
Conditions looking stupid bullish. Bearish, sorry.
I'm in 63.95 SPX, 50 contracts. Get my loss back, and then I'm going to sell. If we reclaim the floor, beautiful. I like to just get my loss back and then get the fuck out of this. $63.95 SPX calls I just entered. $10.90 average. MBZ, I don't recommend you touch SPX, especially on Robinhood.
Be very careful on calls, Ryan. If they break this, it's a fucking empty pocket flush, $2 down. Be very careful on calls, guys.
Sometimes they put in a fresh low and they hit the reverse gear. If we bump our head on the floor, then it's most likely going to be exit zone. But usually they put in a fresh low and then try to hit the reverse gear for a little bounce. Too many bears get excited and start loading at the floor. Still something, I don't know. Something's not adding up for me today. There's a million more puts. Why is there a million more puts? And we're just slow bleeding.
Predictable or not, MBZ, you have to trade the structure. Trade how structure demands, buddy. Who cares how the market looks? We're making lower lows, lower highs on the 5-minute time frame. So right now, I would not even trade because now you're just predicting a bottom. Wait for another lower high rejection and then hammer puts. Right now, we could totally collapse. We could totally collapse and make zero structure. We could just go lower, 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 lower. I would wait for a bounce and for a lower high rejection, personally. Follow the wind.
Is y'all's sloping resistance around 570.80?
570.80. On what? On QQQ?
Yeah, if it rejects another
Yeah.
lower high.
Yeah, QQQ.
Should reject
QQQ
around
is in
578.
a gorgeous, bearish, very controlled selling algo, in my opinion. It's a stair stepping down, just how like we see it when it goes up, it stair steps up. For QQQ, for SPY to flip bullish, we need to be back above 638.40s, in my opinion.
Oh boy, if this bottom of the channel breaks, guys.
Oh, I'm gonna get fucking
this is gonna be
steamrolled.
bad, guys. That's it. Bottom of the channel is breaking, guys. Empty pocket going down, guys. Empty pocket going down. Bottom of the channel is breaking. This is gonna be stupid bearish soon. I want to see a closing right now. If this closes the next 40 seconds like this, we're dangling by a fucking string right now, guys. Dangling on a string right now.
I just doubled my
If this
loss.
breaks, no support. No support if this breaks.
I just doubled my loss. That's good.
Oh boy. Oh my god. This happens. Good job, AR. Congratulations.
Yeah, I'm
guys,
an
we
asshole
closed below
today.
the channel. We're
I get
supposed
it, guys.
to dump.
I get it. I'm the asshole today with a bias.
We're supposed to dump, guys. We're supposed to dump extremely hard right now. We closed below the channel. But they could do fuckery. Let's see if they want to do fuckery. Oh, buddy, be very careful.
I'm past the point of no return. I'm in 100 SPX. 1020 is my average. And here we go. I want them to at least try to go and touch the floor that we broke through. But this is like fast track selling pressure now. These stacking candles, diagonal stacking candles, this is like fast track selling pressure. Usually when I see these formations, there's it's followed by a big deep red candle. Same thing, they do this when they're going north. I'm a moron holding calls now that demand broke, but I want to see if they come back up and retest it. It's not looking like it though. Strong selling pressure today. I'm down 20,000 on the day now. Awesome. Great day. Fucking believable. We haven't had one single bounce since 10 o'clock. We've just been in a selling
Guys,
algo
the
since
bottom
10
of the
o'clock.
channel broke. There's nothing. If you're looking at my screen until the yellow line, this is an empty pocket royal flush. Next level I have is 635.40. This is an empty pocket flush, guys. Have fun. Empty pocket, guys. Empty pocket. Remember I said empty pocket.
Not one single fucking bounce. Why? 2 million puts to 900,000 calls and not one single bounce in over an hour. I'm down 30,000 now on the day. This is great. I'm not going to add to this anymore. I'm not going to be a fucking retard and go down 170,000 ever again on SPX, but I'm very pissed we didn't even get a bounce at the floor. We haven't had a bounce since 10 o'clock. It's just consolidating, stair-stepping down. Selling pressure. It doesn't make sense. This does not make sense to me. $10.20 is my
demand from
average.
yesterday. I agree, Cooper. I
don't
agree.
even think.
That purple line needs to retest. Ooh, look at that.
Finally, since 10 o'clock squeeze went away, finally. It's the first time MACD's trying to curl up. We'll see if they actually do it. See if bulls can try to put in a fucking cycle here or not, so I can get the hell out of this. I have a 10-20 average. We're at $8.40. I'm bleeding heavy. I'm down 20,000.
37.50 is your price target, Ryan. That's last week's high, I believe. Yeah, last week's high test is back test.
I want the
On
floor
the
that
5-minute time frame, it never.
I want the floor that we punched through 637.80s. They didn't even blink at
It's
that
pushing
floor.
it, but I hope you get it.
If they
I
flip back
hate to
into
see
the,
you fucking go full on tilt mode on SPX, buddy. Why the fuck do you do that to yourself?
because I can get this back if this candle pushes a little bit. I'm green on the day. Finally, we got buyers stepping in, dude. We haven't had buyers for an
This
hour.
could be a massive bear trap, guys. This could be a massive bear trap because this was an empty pocket. Look how they reversed on the empty pocket. Now this could be a V-shaped recovery. You never know. Should have been an empty pocket royal flush. I can't believe they did that.
Dude, I can't read the market today. The data's got me all fucked up. I'm thinking in my head, there's the herd is so bearish, they're gonna punch a high. They'll do a liquidity sweep, put selling pressure in the morning, and then continue north. But they rejected the 200, and look at all the EMAs. Everything's rolling over. I'm still long. I still have conviction in a long. There's no reason to be in longs now that we took the floor out, in my opinion. I'm just solely basing this off of fucking hopes and dreams now. Hopes and dreams. I'm down 4,900 on SPY, and I'm down 16,000 on SPX right now. But one little flip north, I'll probably flip green on SPX. There we go. I'm about to flip green on SPX.
I hope you do. A little bit higher. My purple line is my price target, 637.58. Last week's highs. It's 58? Yeah, 58. Whatever they did was dirty. That was an empty pocket royal flush, and they just did that just to trap the bears. But usually a bear trap, Ryan, they go very fast north. They're not going so fast.
They're not.
That's the only caveat. They're not going fast.
No. They could be fooling.
If this was a true bear trap, they would have went fast.
Well, this
Be very
previous
careful
candle,
holding your.
this previous candle looked like it was powers finally starting to come in. QQQ is about to crack their sloping resistance. I really want them to try to take a stab at the floor that we broke through. 637, 70s, somewhere in there. If we take out this previous candle, I'll flip green on SPX. And then anything after that, it's going to be print factory. Just not very impressed with my fucking trading today. I pretty much just held from the top of the cycle to past low a day. It's bullshit. I should have stopped out. It's unacceptable. I'm like 50 cents from break even on SPX. One little push. I'm about to flip green, SPX. This is sloping resistance for QQQ right here. Let's see if they reject this.
They're not going fast, man. That's the only issue. When they trap, they go bombastically. Boom, 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 boom. Why are they not going fast?
Oh, this price action is just very controlled.
Today feels like a fucking Friday, but it is the end of the month candle. This is gonna be a very unique candle on the monthly candle. Let me see how the monthly candle looks right now. Oh, it's looking fucking bullish like crazy. The monthly candle. Wow, look at the monthly candle. It looks sexy.
QQQ is about to flip sloping resistance. I need bulls to step on the fucking gas pedal though. I'm like flirting around with break even here on SPX. Plus or minus a couple thousand. This candle. That's the 21. Just rejected the 21 on the 1 minute. We haven't been above the 21 EMA since 10:15.
They would do this because they did not go fast. It's not a trap, guys. They're gonna go lower, in my opinion. They're gonna break the fucking floor and they're gonna go to the empty pocket zone of 635.40. Yellow line is price target. That's the best place for calls. 5-day moving average is 636.12. 636.12 is the 5-day moving average. I think they're gonna go lower. And say that we're gonna go lower. Look at the 1 hour candle, guys. 1 hour candle looks disgusting. Bearish engulfing 1 hour candle. See percent range of yesterday's lows and
you and me
today's
both,
highs.
Albert.
So they could actually.
You and me both, buddy. I'm still in like a fucking moron, but I don't really plan on adding to this anymore. I don't want to add to this.
Ryan, they're supposed to make a lower low, and then the MACD is going to reverse to do a bullish
buddy,
divergence. They're supposed to make a lower low.
Trust me, I see it. There's nothing I can do right now.
Yeah.
I can
They're going to
fucking
make
hit,
a lower
I can
low,
hit the
and then
sell
they're going to do a
button.
bullish divergence.
I can hit the sell button, but my fucking thick head is a little too stubborn for that.
Yeah, it seems like they're going to do a lower low, guys. MACD should roll over upwards, and we're going to make a bullish divergence. We're going to make a lower low right now, guys. Be very careful if you're in calls.
Okay. Just added 50.
Wow, squeeze coming in.
I just
Squeeze
added
coming in on the bear
50.
side.
Where the fuck do they want to go, man? Are they going to go to yesterday's low? Or yesterday's
Ryan, they make more money going
635.40?
south. Come on, Ryan.
Obviously, dude. Come on. I hate when you fucking lecture me like I haven't made $1 million day trading this year. It really fucking gets under my skin.
Sorry. I'm not going to say anything.
I'm in balls deep in SPX right now. There's nothing I can do other than just
This is danger
hold
zone
hopes.
territory, guys. This is danger zone. If we break this, guys, it's 635.40s. Danger zone here, guys.
I don't understand what they're doing with this fucking data. It makes no sense to me. It makes no
All right,
sense.
guys. Empty pocket. Empty pocket, guys. There's nothing here.
How much money did I make this week? That's gonna be my fucking. That's gonna be my stop. I think I'm already
It feels
past
so
it.
bad.
Dude, I hate this fucking One Direction bullshit, dude. I really hate this One Direction bullshit.
Empty pocket, guys. Empty pockets in my yellow line, guys. Nothing. No support. Empty pocket, guys. 635.40 is price target.
We have not had a single cycle since 10 o'clock this morning. Over an hour, just one fucking direction. Hate this bullshit. These are the days that I lose the most amount of money, dude, because I trade fucking cycles, and there's no cycles. It's just south. All right, I'm down 55,000. Unfucking believable. Now bears are gonna step.
Nothing, guys. She has more.
Now bears are gonna fucking step on the
more,
gas.
guys. Nothing.
No, dude, this
Nothing,
is where
nothing.
this is where
Empty,
bears
empty.
step on the gas and they fucking pick up speed.
Nothing, guys. Yellow line is my price target. We're about to hit it. I would be in calls if my broker was open at this level. 635.40. Nothing, guys. This is beautiful. Holy fuck. I would have made probably 100,000 if I would have held my puts all day.
Well, I'm down 65, so if it makes you feel any better.
Wild. Whoa, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. No, my broker's off. I don't give a fuck.
QQQ's about to hit previous close. They got a little more room. I have an $8.30 average. We're at $5.40. I have 200 contracts now. $165,000 same day SPX position. And I told myself I would never do that again. And here we are.
I would be in calls, guys. 1 week out calls right here. All the bears that swung, all the retards that swung yesterday, guys, they're all like salivating that we're gonna go to PCP. I don't think these motherfuckers are gonna go to PCP. Think so because I don't know. You never know though. All the retards that swung, they're all recovering right now. Go to PCP today. So this is the moment, guys, to sell all puts, and if you guys want to risk it for the biscuit, 1 to 2 week out calls.
Yeah, dude, Jeff stuck his fucking market maker cell phone right up my ass. That's what happened today. I don't know, buddy. I do not know, but this is just a straight bloodbath. We haven't had a single cycle since 10 o'clock. Nothing's bullish. There's no bullishness on this chart. There's no buyers. There's no nothing. Conditions have been volume bearish since 10 o'clock. I don't really understand the data. I do not understand the data. I think they would give me some type of bounce so I can get the fuck out of this. I'll feel like a moron if I get out at low a day and take a $60,000 loss and then they bounce it back. It's ridiculous. Nice job, Joey. Nice job, man. Look at the bearishness,
This
man.
is
Just
beautiful.
continuous.
Holy shit. Are they really going to go to PCP?
I fucking hope
Are
not.
they really going to go to PCP? I
That's
doubt that
100,000,
they're going to
dude.
go to PCP because so many fucking people swung puts, man. I
don't
doubt
know.
that they're gonna go to PCP, guys. I don't know. If they break PCP, it's just a royal bloodbath. They're gonna go take yesterday's lows out.
This is starting to make sense now after our price action from yesterday where they sold off and then gapped the fuck up and they're going to just sell right back off. Unbelievable. I'm down 80,000. The fuck, man. This is fucking ridiculous, bro. My contracts are so cheap now. They're $4. It's a fucking bloodbath, Joey. That's what happened. Since 10 o'clock, there hasn't been a single fucking buyer. They all went on vacation.
This is strong demand, guys.
We're definitely
This is
not going to go
strong
to
demand.
620 today, Cherie. I can assure you that they're not going to go to 620.
This is strong demand, guys. If this demand breaks right here where we are, we're going to PCP and we're breaking. Yeah, guys, just follow the wind. It's bearish today. We're very, very bearish. This is very, very bearish, guys. Look at the conditions. Everything is bearish. Super bearish. Man, I wish I wasn't still my puts. This is wild. Wild, wild, wild.
I'm sure you're going to get a
caveat is
I'm sure you're going to get a text from that fucking guru sniper saying that I traded like shit today because he watches our stream.
Satiated. I did 2 trades. I'm happy.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about me. He's going to be like, oh, sloppy trading. I paid 7 figures in taxes this year. Could you imagine if they do a bullish doji candle on the daily today?
But the daily candle looking like shit right now.
Like, not right now, yeah. I'm just trying to give myself fucking hope. This is it, dude. I got 634.90s is my last, if just based off the daily. If they take out 634.90, then I'm just gonna go tie the noose.
You also got to understand, Ryan, we gapped up and we touched the upper Bollinger Band on the daily time frame, and that was the best R&R to just fucking go puts and just
I know,
hold
but
them all day.
when has shorting supply worked in the last 2 months? I've seen more people get fucking steamrolled trying to short supply in the last 2 months than go long. You know what I mean?
Daily bearish engulfing candle right now.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Look at the daily candle right now.
I wish you
Oh,
could
this is
see my.
guys. I'm telling you, this is a great R&R for 2 weeks out, 1 to 2 weeks out calls. Remember,
wish
I
you can
said
see
it.
my P&L right now.
I don't think we're supposed to fucking touch PCP, guys. Not yet. They might touch PCP in an hour or two.
Where the fuck is my break even on this chart? That's what I need to know. Where is my break even?
I would do calls here.
My break even is 636.60s. That's my break even.
It's very obtainable, actually.
636.60s is my break even.
It is obtainable.
We have not had one fucking bullish cycle since 10 o'clock.
Lower low, lower high, lower low. Yep.
We need
Cycles
to be above
wild as lower low cycle.
637.40s in my opinion for bulls to try to regain any type of control. $637.40s needs to get taken out. We have like fast track sloping resistance on QQQ. QQQ's got room to 569.75 and they'll still be in sloping resistance. I don't know, dude.
Should be fine. You should be fine.
I'm
telling you, PCP should not touch.
I'm letting fucking Jeff take the
Should
wheel
be
on this
fine.
one, buddy. I'm not selling.
This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. You should be fine. We should not test PCP. They don't make money if they go to PCP because all the retards that swung, they're gonna get regenerated.
I'm letting Jeff take the wheel on this one.
They're gonna fucking move. What's 50% of today's low to today's high? That's the price.
Oh, buddy,
guys, 50% retracement.
If
I
they
think we're
do,
gonna fucking run.
if they do a 50% retracement, I'm gonna make 100,000 on this trade. 637.50.
Yeah.
I doubt
Yeah,
it.
yeah. 637.46 is my price target, guys, for this. If you're holding 1 to 2 week out calls, as I told you, that's my price target. 637.40s is my price target, guys.
As soon as we get to
We're very bullish, in my opinion.
As soon as we get to 636.60s and I'm back to break even, I'm taking size off and then I'm gonna just hold runners.
Yeah, we should go to the 50% retracement right now. This is very bullish, guys.
I have a very disgusting
I knew
size.
these fuckers went into PCP. It does not make sense for them to go to PCP. All the bears are scrambling right now and dollar cost averaging probably from yesterday.
What's the ratio now? Still fucking put side heavy. 1 million. 1 million more puts. And we just bled all the way out. There's still 1 million more puts. Nobody even closed. Huh. Interesting. Well, today's the day. I either make a lot or lose a lot. If we put in a big fucking V-shape reversal.
I doubt they're going to do a V-shape. I think they're going to go to 50% and just fuck around there.
Buddy, if they go to 50%, I'm going to make a house. I'll be up a house on the day if they go to 50% retracement. I have a $160,000 same day SPX position. That thing will do 200%. My average is $7. Thing will go to 15 $15, $20 easily.
I'm gonna be up a fucking house.
I don't
I'll
want to
be
get
right
my
back.
I don't want to get myself excited. I'm still bleeding like no other, but every time we had one of these little cycles, it just rejects and then they put in a fresh low. And bulls haven't shown up yet. I'm only looking at the 1 minute chart, MBZ, and I do not see any lower highs forming yet. They're super far out the money. Swing 63.95s. I'm in. They're $5. No, I don't recommend. I'm only in these because I had the dollar cost average. Until it's proven and I actually see some support and buyers are trying to make support, that's when you try to get in. But right now we can just reject here and punch a new low.
All right, I'm back. Got my lunch.
Only reason why I'm in these contracts is because I bought them 20 minutes ago.
Wow.
Yeah, we just rejected supply. Supply 635.93.
Wow. Look at the 5-minute candle.
Dude,
Look
this
at the
is
5-minute candle,
disgusting.
buddy.
Q's is gonna punch through previous
Ooh.
close.
Ooh, look at the 5-minute candle. Ooh.
Patel, if they do a higher low here and take out 636 supply, then bulls will try to step. They have to bounce here. If they don't bounce here, we're gonna put in a fresh low. Same thing on QQQ. If QQQ doesn't bounce here, they're gonna take out previous close. My hands are sweating. This is disgusting. I don't know why the fuck I do this to myself. I don't know why I do this to myself. I would not be surprised if they put in a death candle. I will not be surprised if they put in a death candle, just because this is looking way too obvious as a floor for bulls to try to step in here and catch the low a day. We have to take out 636 for bulls to have any type of power or strength. As of right now, they're making it look too obvious to jump in a long position here, and then they take the floor out and then they exit. QQQ wants previous close. 40 cents away from previous close QQQ. Disgusting.
VIX is on strong supply, guys. VIX is strong supply. VIX is strong supply here. If you're looking at the VIX, very strong supply. In my opinion, SPY's bullish because of VIX. But if VIX breaks out of here, ooh, it's gonna be boom, 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 downside. Strong supply for VIX.
I need them to crack 636.
Bullish, guys. SPY's bullish in my opinion right now because of the VIX.
Your definition of bullish is not the type of bullishness I need. I need like a fucking reversal type of bullish.
I'm like for the next 3 minutes bullish.
Yeah. They gotta crack,
I don't give a fuck.
They gotta crack 636.
I don't give a fuck
They
where we
gotta
go.
crack 636.50. They got a lot of shit to poke their heads through. So if they go, they have to do it fast. And these attempts
Oh
don't
yeah,
look like they're trying
VIX
to
is
go
pulling
fast.
back nicely from strong supply, guys. VIX is pulling back. I think we're gonna rock it right now on SPY. I don't know. It's not like I know what I'm doing.
I don't fucking know what I'm
See.
doing, obviously.
I also don't know.
Can you send me the good luck charm?
What if I come to you and give you a good luck charm?
No, the GIF. You remember?
You posted that. Hilarious.
This is it. This is supply. Let's see if they poke.
That is hilarious.
50,000. I'm red 50,000 here. Let's see if they poke out of here, dude, and they step on the gas. I'll flip green on SPX, and I'll be more than happy to walk away being down.
MBZ, can you please watch the master classes? It's gonna change your life, buddy. I'm telling you. Today, if you would have just watched the break of structure master class, you would have printed like no tomorrow.
That candle was
Please watch the
20,000.
master classes. Easy.
That candle was 20,000.
I'm begging you to watch the master classes, buddy.
Let's push. Let's push. Let's get it done. Let's get it fucking done. Why is there a million more puts than calls today? It's our first little sloping support that we made since 10 o'clock. Finally. 636.60s is my break even.
Good job, buddy. Good job. I think we're going at a fucking 50% retracement. Screen, it's at 637.40s. I personally think so. Might take time though. You gotta watch the master classes and understand like psychology behind all the structures and everything what I talk about today. There's a bunch, buddy.
I can't
I
believe
learned
they did
from
this.
my mentor. I paid my mentor over $25,000-$30,000 to learn all of this, and I'm giving you guys all this for free, basically. Well, it's not free; it's $100 a month, but trust me, it's worth it.
I can't believe they did this.
Market want to go higher, guys. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Everybody should be printing if you're in 2 weeks or 1 week out calls.
This y'all's level for where we're poking past sloping resistance.
Keep going, keep going. I really think they're gonna hit the 50% retracement, guys, and just fuck around over there. I'm pretty sure POC is gonna pop into the 50% retracement soon.
Don't say those words yet. Don't say POC yet. I don't want to see that thing
This is
yet.
how these fuckers like to play.
I don't want to see POC yet. I'm doing the Jewish prayer right now. I just made 40,000 back on this bounce. Buddy, we gotta flip the 50 on the 1 minute, and it's gonna be. This is sloping resistance on QQQ though. They can reject here.
Nice bullish engulfing candle on the 5-minute time frame.
They can reject here. Bull's got to step on the gas. This is the first time I've seen bullish volume since 10 o'clock. Finally, bullish squeeze volume coming in. First time I've seen it since 10 o'clock today. Over an hour and a half. There hasn't been any bulls. I don't want to get myself too excited. I'm not out of the woods yet. Once I get out of the woods and back to close to break even or a little green on this trade, I'll take size off and try to see if I can hold these suckers. I'm not going to go down this much and have a $4,000 day. That was the one mistake I did last time when I took a big drawdown on SPX, dude. I went down so much and I just flipped myself green and then I shut it off. You remember it reversed, Dimitri, and it just took out all-time highs?
MBZ, you gotta change your mind, buddy. You gotta ask yourself what track you're trading. I don't care about a reversal. I just care about 2 to 3 minutes. You just focus on that, buddy. 2 to 3 minutes of being right. Like, if you're green right now, get the fuck out. Refresh your mind, and in 10 minutes, 20
I'm still
minutes,
holding,
get into
Patel.
another trade.
I'm still holding.
You
This
think
is
Be like a parasite.
even on a 1 week call though, like you think I should cash out right now?
The reason why I tell you to get a 1 week call, because it's going to take some time getting there, so I don't want you to be data destroyed. But 1 week call does not mean you should swing. The reason I told you to get 1 week calls is because it might take time because the conditions are very bearish. So they consolidate,
guys.
and so you don't fuck yourself on data.
This
That's
is
why.
it right
But price
here.
target hit. Price target hit.
This is line in the
This is
sand
price
here.
target number 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is price target number 1. I would recommend shave 50 to 75% off.
Well,
Gotta
QQQ's
understand the
above
Greeks
sloping
also.
resistance. QQQ's next supply 570.50. My next supply on SPY, if we pump out of here, is going to be 637.20s, and I'll be very green. I'm going to hold.
Correct.
I'm going to hold. I don't recommend holding,
Yeah.
but I was also down 70,000. Now I'm down 10. So
Good job. Keep going. Keep going. We might go to the 50% retracement, guys. We're blowing past supply right now. This is great. Supply is blowing past. 50% retracement. This is what they do, guys. Bulls are fucked, bears are fucked, and we're gonna go to 50% retracement. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Let's fucking go.
I just flipped green.
Joey, remember I told you this during dinner. How can they make money? Don't focus on us making money. How do they make money? And then we follow them. That's how you guys need to think.
I tell you, this is actually the best day for me since I started trading.
These days are unique, Joey, for you to just jump in puts and just write them down, or same thing with calls. That's why Dimitri's saying just focus on a smaller time frame. Don't expect them to have these big directional moves because it's not. It's very unique. Yeah,
Correct.
you make a ton of money, but it's very, very unique. Part of the reason why I'm fucking trapped.
That's why.
He taught me some interesting
That's
stuff.
why MBZ.
All right, guys, I just flipped
That's
green
why
on
MBZ.
SPX.
I don't care. I don't care where they're going. I just care about 2 to 3 candles, buddy. I size in 100 to 200 contracts. 2, 3 candles, buddy. That's like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 for me, and I'm out. I don't give a fuck about
I just
anything
flipped
else.
green on SPX. I'm gonna take some off here. I just sold 50.
Your mind to be satiated. Small fills up the bucket. NBZ. I'm just picking on you because you're brand new. I want to shift your mind.
Thank God I fucking sold some. Yeah, dude, there's
a lot of
there's
resistance
resistance
here, guys.
all over this chart today. That's the issue.
Yeah.
And my issue, what I see now is that they're not going fast enough to spook the bears into dollar cost averaging. If they spook the bears and they go fast into dollar cost averaging, then they could take off and go boom, 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 and keep going north and trap them. Since they're bumping their head on supply and bears are just adding, they got to go fast. They got to go fast and spook the bears. That's when we get a nice push north.
At this point, isn't it easier for them to go lower than higher?
They're gonna go a little bit higher. They just
it's
that
not.
red candle was a spook out candle. They're gonna go higher.
It's not easier because the amount of people that have money and profit and puts, if they run this sucker up north fast, all those bears are gonna scramble and add, and then like Dimitri's price target, 50% retracement. Both sides lose money. Both sides are out.
Right. Okay.
I'm still red on the day, very red on the day. I'm down 5,000 on SPX and I'm down 4,900 on SPY. If we push from here, then this is pretty much it. I got to get out of this danger zone here, and then I'll be fine. God, if they give me VWAP, dude, what a blessing.
You should push.
Excuse me. Let me take a look at something. Where's VWAP lining up?
Higher, guys. A little bit higher. 637.41 is my price target. We should push. Understand. Look at the screenshot I just posted if you're not looking at my screen. The blue line, dotted line is 50% retracement. It's also associated with the sloping resistance. This is a perfect price target, guys.
I just flipped
I want
green.
you guys to understand. Look,
I just flipped green on the
going,
day.
Keep going. We're gonna go.
I'm green on the... Oh, no, never mind. I'm like flipping back and forth from red to green on the day right here. I got like $3,500 here on the day. But I'm red 4,900 on SPY. If we push off of this, dude, it's gonna be... It's gonna be crazy. I know, dude. This is what I was talking about though with SPX. This is like the hardest part for me to make my decision. Do I jump out of 200 contracts here and just be down, $4,000 on the day, or do I hold it and get wrecked and go back to negative 30 if they try to take another push to low a day?
That's hilarious.
There we go. I just flipped green again.
Oh. Keep going. We're gonna go, guys. We're gonna go.
Fucking hate taking drawdowns like this, man. But my only issue now is if the call side starts growing, they're not going to go fast on the ratio.
There we go. There we go. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. They're gonna go. They're gonna go. I know that these fuckers are gonna go. A little bit higher. Tap it in.
Patel, are you still in SPX? You sold. This is breakout. This is breakout level here. If they try to push.
A little bit higher. A little bit. I know these fuckers are gonna go.
I'm officially green on the day, like $4,000.
Beautiful. Yo, Ryan, shave some off, buddy. You fucking went what? Minus 60,000?
Yeah.
I'm not proud of you for what you did today. You
Neither
had
am
zero
I,
risk
dude.
management again.
That's what happens when it's one direction. I'm hoping that we're gonna go one direction north now, and I'm gonna make 100,000. I'm up 12 here. Supply 637.30s. If they flip 637.30s, oh buddy, I'm gonna take.
They're gonna go.
I'm gonna just go down. I'm going down to. I shaved some off, guys. I'm down to 100 now, so it's still dangerous. This is dangerous, heavy
Holy
size.
shit. How many contracts did you have?
250, but the contracts were like $3. They're at 7.
250 SPX.
Yeah, but they're at $8.
They're gonna go, guys. They're gonna go. They're gonna go right now, guys. This is the FOMO play. FOMO play right now. FOMO for me right now. I'm feeling so much FOMO right now that my broker's fucking off. Yo, today I was on fucking fire, honestly. Like the way I called out every single play was perfect today.
Yeah, you're
I'm
being
impressed at myself today.
You're being a fucking jerk to me again because you're right for once.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna buy you a gift. I'm sorry. I love you.
I don't know why you gotta be so mean.
They're gonna go. They're gonna go.
I'm still holding 100,
One
guys.
more push and they're gonna go.
I'm up 32,000 on SPX right now, my open position, but my P&L on the day is like 10. I'm still holding.
They're gonna go. They're gonna go. Guys, if you guys bought calls 1 week out, start shaving off now. Start shaving off. I'm telling you guys, shave, because everybody's looking at the same level that we're looking at. Everybody's looking at. You guys gotta understand that we're facing around millions of other traders. Shave, guys. Sell here, guys. That's it. Sell.
I want them to blow
Congratulations.
through
Just shit. Sell everything, guys. Price target hit, basically.
this. I want them to blow through this.
This is a good starter for shorts also, guys. Sell. Everything sell.
If they break this supply,
Congratulations.
this is supply on QQQ as well. If they break this supply, we can have the potential for
Ryan,
a
please
big
don't be
pump.
greedy. Please don't be greedy. Ryan, this is sell target, buddy. This is the 50% retracement, and this is sloping resistance, guys. Sell.
This is not 50%
guys,
retracement.
I love you guys.
This isn't even close to 50% retracement. We're not even close.
Take care, everyone. Love
You're
you guys.
leaving?
Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Dude.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Take care, guys.
I'm in a trade. Wait, man.
No, I gotta get the fuck out of here. I have so much FOMO right now, guys.
You can't do that to me.
MBZ,
You did
shut
that
it the
shit to
fuck
me.
off.
You did that shit to me yesterday. Don't do that shit.
Shut it off.
Let me get
And
out of
small
this trade.
fills up a bucket. Small fills up a bucket, buddy.
I want you to witness greatness when they fucking explode north.
Oh,
That's my target.
I doubt it,
That's
buddy.
my target. Swing.
That's it.
View up. I want a swift push through supply right now. And then they're going to spook all the bears into dollar cost averaging, and then they should just run. I'm up a lot. I'm up a lot. It's not my biggest day ever, but I'm up. I'm healthy. 18,000 minus my $5,000 loss on SPY. I want to see if they poke through this supply here, guys. If they poke through this supply, I'm going to hold. If they don't, I'm going to take it off. If they go through the supply slow and throw a nasty wick in, I'll probably shave half.
Can I go now?
Hold on, buddy.
I feel like you're my fucking boss.
What do you mean? You dipped on me
Hey, boss.
yesterday. You just ran out of here. I was saying bye to you, and I fucking heard boop, and your fucking mic was off. I was like, wow, That's fucked up.
I am impressed at myself because 4 green days. I'm up a lot this week. This week was great.
Well, fucking be my
I'm just,
moral support right
I
now
have
that
a
we're
lot of
gonna go to
FOMO right now.
VWAP.
I just don't want to stay next to a computer because if I stay, I'm gonna trade and trade and trade and trade. I want to get the fuck out of my house. I just want to like fucking leave.
I just want to
But
see
guys,
what
this
they
is
do with
price
this
target. I
supply.
would highly recommend. If you guys want puts here, puts if you want.
I don't trust it yet. We're in a
Joey,
stair.
if you want lunch, you got to come to Queens. I'm not coming to the city. If you want lunch, come to Queens. I'm gonna get you the best fucking Mexican restaurant and margaritas. If you want to come to Queens, come. Me, I'll give you the address to meet. It's gonna be a 40-minute drive for you though. I don't know if you want to do that.
Oh, buddy.
Perfect.
They're
So
gonna
Joey,
try to
let's
pop.
have lunch.
They're gonna try to pop supply. Oh, buddy, if they pop this
Let's
supply
have
here.
lunch, buddy.
Oh, if they pop this supply. Patel, are you watching? Oh, buddy.
Lunch is on you, buddy. Lunch is on you. I'm ordering the whole fucking menu this time. Lunch is on you.
Oh, buddy. If they pop this supply. I got nothing, dude. I paid for fucking half of your shawarma yesterday. Fuck off.
Oh, you knew?
Of course I knew. The hell? Who the fuck spends $350 on shawarma? Only you, buddy.
Love you, Ryan.
Joey's got cash now.
I would do shorts here, guys. I would do shorts here, guys. I would do shorts. This is the 50% retracement.
I'm going to take 50
shorts.
contracts off, guys. I don't know if anybody's still in this or they're just watching the show, but I just sold 50 contracts at $9.40. I have a $4.30 average, and I'm still in 50. I want VWAP. If VWAP hits, dude, today's going to be ridiculous. If VWAP hits. All the bears are starting to feel like they're getting trapped. All the bears are starting to feel like getting trapped. Albert, that's the thing, buddy. You have to risk yourself accordingly. Like, I know my risk. Obviously, 60,000 is a little bit higher than I'm comfortable with. Usually, it's like 20. I like to draw down on SPY, but SPX, I know I can get it back. It's not necessarily good trading, but I don't freak
Well,
the
Albert,
fuck
are you
out.
still holding your 0 days? Are you still holding your 0 days from the top? You're not gonna make your money back, buddy. That's it. They're just gonna consolidate here, buddy.
Those are burned to
Oh, okay.
ground zero. Zero dates.
Those are done, Albert. You gotta learn how to take losses also. Well, I should be the last person to fucking say that. I rarely take losses also. But you're down 4,300. Congratulations.
Too heavy. You're sizing too heavy for being too new.
Why are you so heavy? I texted you yesterday, 1 to 10 contracts. Nope, no good, Albert. That's
Yeah, don't get into that dollar cost averaging
Good.
game, dude. Trust me. I know I do it. I know Dimitri does it, but
This is 50% retracement, guys. Price target
I'm
hit
holding.
if you're
I'm
in
holding
calls.
50 for us
Now
to pop this
just leave it
supply to
alone.
view up. I'm holding
Just
50.
leave it alone, guys. If you want to do shorts here, do shorts here. Leave it alone.
Where are you drawing your
have
50%
so much FOMO.
retracement from? Because we're
From
not.
today's top to today's
Yeah, we're.
bottom.
I really fucking strongly believe that we're gonna try to take a run to view up. They're just fooling this supply. Now the data makes sense. Now bears are freaking out because they're bouncing off this. And if you didn't take profit and you're a bear, not yet. You're not quite bleeding yet. A little bit higher, 637.70s. I'm almost done with this trade,
Alright,
Dimitri.
I'm
I
gonna go.
promise. Hold on. I'm almost done. I got my finger on
It's
sell.
fine. I just opened up my broker. If you want me to stay on, I'm gonna fucking trade. I just opened up my broker.
I'm about to exit.
All right, broker. All
You're about to get in puts.
right, guys. I'm in put.
Yeah.
I just got filled for puts, guys. I'm in puts. Min, let's go. It's time to fucking print. If you want me to stay on, I'll just print. I don't have same days, Albert. I have 0808. I don't recommend you trade, buddy. Fuck. I want you to learn. There's so much to learn. I try to teach on these live streams. Oh, okay. No. I'm not in same days. I don't like trading same days because I look for macro moves. So my price target right now for these puts is 636.60s. The bottom of 1059 candle
I'm still
on the
in.
1 minute time frame.
I'm looking at the 50. I'm looking at the 50 on the 1 minute. If they crack that, then that's probably going to be my stop out. 636.85 is going to be my stop and profit. Brother, ew.
Let's print.
I averaged down,
I
Albert.
really wanted to leave.
I averaged
because
I
of
average
fucking you.
I average out of my contracts mostly though. Most of the times you'll hear me hit 100 off the bat and then I sell 50 out. That's typically what I do. Unless I'm getting trapped like today where we just fucking bled out for an hour and a half straight, which is very unique and not normal market conditions, then I try to average in, but once my contracts get destroyed and I'm in same days, you just got to dump them. And you look for a different strike.
$636.20 is the 5-day moving average. Oh, we might even backtest the 5-day moving average, guys. I'm gonna hold these puts for a while.
636.87 is going to be my line in the sand. It's the 50 on the 1 minute. That's my stop and profit.
Boom, 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 boom. Let's fucking go.
I expect to pull back on a bounce here, see if they try to run supply one more time. We know exactly what you did, Albert, because we do it all the time. We're not perfect. We take losing trades.
Entry is boom, boom, boom. Go, go, go. And I wish you sold everything at the 50%, buddy.
Oh, I'm fucking green on the day. I do not care. I'm up 17,000 on the day. I'm just seeing if they're going to touch.
You're up 17,000?
Yeah.
You're up 17,000?
I had 27,000 at the top.
That's great. Holy shit, you're up 17,000. Congrats.
Dude, that was a
Yo,
$4 that was a $4 contract move.
Shit.
Well, now I'm only up fucking 5.
Can you give me a private jet to see you? Can you give me a private jet to see you?
I'm only up 5 now. 10 now. I'm still in. This is it.
God, you just lost 12,000.
This is my line in the sand right here.
You are
the 50.
insane, my friend.
Let me tell you something. When you draw down what I draw down and I see green now, I just do not fucking care. I'm along for the party. If this cracks, whatever.
Woo! We are printing.
I'll exit.
We are printing. Anybody got puts with me? We are printing right now.
That's my bounce zone right here,
Go
the
on.
50 on the 1 minute. Let's see if they try to run supply one more time.
Why are we bouncing? Why are we bouncing here?
Just the 50 on the 1 minute.
This
is also the 50 on QQQ. Conditions are bullish. The cloud conditions are still bullish. MACD is rolling over, filling up the gas. They're going to try to run supply one more time. That's where I try to exit. If they bump their head on it and reject, then I sell. If they poke through, then I take half off.
Wow, I had so much profit. I should have took it. I'm actually more excited for you right now since you have SPX.
Oh, dude, this is at this point, it's just fun coupons because I'll stop myself out in profit. I'm up 23 here. Just waiting.
You should take it. I personally do think they're gonna go to the 5-day moving average right now. I think you should take it.
I see sloping resistance starting to form, lower highs,
I
QQQ.
just added. I dollar cost average green. I'm green on the position. I just added more.
This could
So you
potentially
see,
be a
Albert,
bull
I'm
flag.
dollar cost averaging up even. Even though I'm green on the position, I'm dollar cost averaging up.
This could be a potential bull flag. Don't forget about the
do feel
data
like we're
that
in a
I've been talking about this fucking data all day, dude. There's still a million more people holding puts than calls. And once they start spooking the
correct.
bears into dollar cost averaging, I think that they're gonna just grind up now. So I'm trying to hold conviction
The
in
VIX
this.
is at support.
Trying to hold conviction in this.
See, I might get steamrolled.
Bulls are fucking here, baby. I want to see them
I just
poke
added
through
again.
supply. Poke through supply, and I'll start trimming. QQQ.
I'm green on my position. I just keep adding.
QQQ is going to break. QQQ breaks the 50.
Go.
I'm out. I'm taking it. QQQ breaks the 50. I'm taking my profit.
They're gonna play games, man. This is fucking 50%. That makes sense, but I really want them to test 636.52. Give me that the bottom of 1059 candle.
Squeeze is
Give me
coming
that
in
candle,
bullish.
and I'm out.
Squeeze is coming in bullish. Squeeze is coming in bullish. This might be a bull flag. They punch through this little resistance that they're making, then bull flag's going to be confirmed. If they take out the 50 on the 1 minute, then it's bearish. MACD is looking like it wants to fill up the gas, though. I'm not fucking leaving. Until the 50 on the 1 minute cracks, then that's my sell. I'm deep in profit. There's no reason for me to exit here. I'm going to see if we push supply.
Squeeze is coming in bullish.
But MACD's got to fill up the gas. I want to see a bull flag confirmation and break through supply at 637.40. Come on. Just do it.
I just added again.
QQQ is looking weak. SPY's trying to bull flag. QQQ breaks the 50 and they nosedive, then I'm probably going to hit the sell button here. We'll see. I'm still holding. 640 average. We're at 850. I have $2 on my premiums here.
QQQ.
$2 on my premiums with 100 SPX contracts. 20,000 open right now. It's my P&L. I want more than this. I want the promised land. I want the 200. You can give me the 200? No, realistic price target for me, guys, is 637.70s. That's what I want. Remember that floor that we broke through this morning that we never retested? Our bounce zone from
Just added again.
945. This is looking like a bull flag. But QQQ looks weak. QQQ looks weak. We have squeeze.
I just added again.
Holy fucking ads. How many ads are you going to do? We're not even, candles aren't even moving.
I'm green on the position. I just keep adding to it because I do feel like we're gonna retest the bottom of 1059.
I want to see a bull flag confirmation
That's
and
what they're-
us try to run
That's
supply.
what they're making you see. MBZ, this does look like inverse head and shoulders. I don't trust these motherfuckers because they make you see that. Like everybody and their mothers are seeing that. Remember, we're facing up to like millions of traders. We gotta outsmart all these retards.
But there's more people
So,
bag holding puts.
Everybody,
They should go north.
everybody's looking at this and their head and shoulders.
There's a million more people
I like to
bag
go
holding
against
puts.
Okay, now I flip red on this position. What the fuck?
Bull flag is about to confirm. If they poke supply, buddy, they're gonna fucking push. I'm up 25,000 here.
Just add it again.
There's a million more people bag holding puts. And we're bounced off the lows, and those people that didn't take profit didn't switch over to the call side. There's more. There's over a million. There's 1.2 million people holding puts. They're going to go.
Oh, buddy, if they break this, they're gonna fucking go like crazy.
I'm up a lot, dude. I'm up a lot.
I'm gonna be so pissed off because I wanted to go outside, and you made me stay on my computer.
I didn't make you get into
If
puts.
I lose this trade, I'm gonna be pissed off at you.
I didn't make you get into puts. I've been screaming calls since 11 o'clock.
It's peaches. I'm sweating. Let's come downstairs. All right, here.
Sherry, your mic's on. Oh, buddy.
50%.
Oh, Patel. Oh, Patel, if they peel out of here. Oh, Patel. Oh, buddy.
This looks like a cup and handle on the 1 minute. Handles usually explode north.
Oh, Patel. Today is the day. Today is the day. I'm still holding 100. I should trim some, though. I should trim some. I'm going to take 50 off here. Do I try to hold this sucker to VWAP or what? Whew. I'm going to take 50. I just took 50 off. I have an $8.50 average. We're at $10.50. Still holding 50.
We're exactly at 50%. And Tesla bounce here? Where is Tesla?
Oh, Patel.
Tesla's in a wedge.
Oh, buddy.
Tesla is in...
Oh, buddy. Oh, it just took all day, but there's 1.2 million puts to fucking people holding calls, man. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Should I bag
I like
hold
this. This is a higher low on Tesla.
Should I
Higher low on
fucking
Tesla.
bag hold this,
Tesla
man?
looking good right now.
Guys, look at
Still
my
looking good.
contracts. I have an $8.60 average. We're at $11.20. $3 on premiums. I'm up right now. $3 fucking dollars. I want view up.
I'm down $2,600 because of you, Ryan, because I wanted to leave and you said no.
I did not tell you to buy puts. I've been screaming calls, dude. I've been telling you bull flag confirmation, and they're gonna run supply, and they finally did it. Finally, I'm right. It just took all day. There's way too many people bag holding puts. Way too many people bag holding puts. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell everything. I'm out. I'm all out. 42,000 on the day. I'm all out. Fucking take my money. And take my money.
How much did you make?
Actually, I take that back, guys. It's not 42,000. I am up 37,000 because I took a $4,900 loss on SPY.
Oh my god.
They're gonna run VWAP, man. They're gonna run VWAP. I'm telling you. They're gonna run
That is
VWAP, dude.
wild.
They're gonna run VWAP. I bottom ticked SPX.
Good job, Ryan.
I mean, actually, I take that back. I didn't bottom tick SPX. I was down a lot. I was down a lot.
Good job, buddy.
I want to hit calls at VWAP or puts at VWAP. The higher they go up, the harder they're
I'm
gonna
not gonna
fucking
add
pull
any more.
back. 63.90 puts.
I'm holding this, guys. I'm gonna probably just hold hopes for now.
I want VWAP to touch. We're at the 618 right now. This is my price target, guys. That floor that I spoke about, 945 floor. Albert, it's all position sizing, buddy. You can't just throw your sheets into the wind. I know I did it all morning, but that's why Dimitri's just screaming at you to learn. We take losses. Dimitri takes big losses. I take big losses. It happens. I think we're not, we're human. I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna try a put here, guys. 63.90.
Hello.
This is the floor from this morning. If we flip this, then I'm gonna exit and I'm gonna try it one more time around VWAP. And then if that doesn't work, then
You
they're
still
gonna
want
try
to trade after your P&L? Holy shit.
Yeah, because this is the best area to try a put. Look at the floor. Look left. This is the floor. We just retested the floor.
I agree with you, buddy. I'm in puts right now. I probably will add, actually. We'll see.
This is the best
I
area.
agree.
This is the
I
best
agree.
area for risk to reward purposes. And if they push through here, then they're going to go to VWAP. So quick loss if they push off of this. I'll sell it immediately, and then I'm going to try it again at VWAP. I'm in 100 SPX puts, 63.90 puts SPX. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There's 3,000 right there. I'm going to sell half. I'm holding 50. I want a retest of this little cup. 637.40 is my price target. If they break through that, then I want the 50 on the 1 minute. Oh, yeah,
At this
Joyce.
point, you're just showing off.
Oh, yeah, Joyce. Oh, yeah, Joyce. I'm about to exit.
I just flipped green.
I'm about to exit. This is exit zone here. All out.
Wow.
Now I'm at
That's
50,000.
insane how you did that.
50,000 fucking dead even.
Guys, look at the 5-minute time frame. Look at the 5-minute time frame, guys. The 5-minute is showing a rejection, so that could be a possible lower high. And now we should go lower
Oh,
low.
if they crack
Look at
this,
the 5-minute time
if they
frame
crack
candle,
this, I'm
guys.
chasing. If they crack this, I'm
Guys,
chasing.
lower high on the 5-minute
Actually, you know
time
what?
frame.
I'm done. I'm shutting this off. This is fucking ridiculous.
We should collapse, guys. We should collapse.
What the hell happened, Joey? That was a fucking perfect put entry. That was a perfect put entry. Okay, now I'm done. I'm not showing off. I'm done now. I'm not trying to show off, I promise. SPX is just a completely different animal.
You are impressive, sir.
I am degenerate and my hands are sweaty. That's what I am. Buddy, all
I
day,
think you should reward yourself now.
I don't know.
Go, guys. Let's flood emojis on Ryan's post. Bagel, baby. Whale, baby. Let's do cream. The pie. Cream pie. Cream.
Where's that?
Beer.
Where was that gift that you used to put in here? It's like, sorry, I'm just cleaning up the chat.
Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, you can't forget about my favorite two letters, 6 and 9.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Chef. Magnet Gang. I hug you. Beautiful. Congratulations, buddy. Good job.
Dude, I was terrible trading today. I'm not happy. I'm really not happy.
Gotta look at structure.
Yeah, in my opinion, dude, there's something like just look at this right now. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on, I'm posting right now. Something is cooking. Something is cooking. They're way too spread apart.
Yeah, does unusual whales always keep posting it automatically, or somebody's doing this?
I set it up to post tweets and Snorlax and Donald Trump news it posts. I had the economic
Can you
news
just
running
set it
last
up?
night, and it was just way too much.
Can you just set it up where it just gives you unnatural?
Well, I like that it posts. I like that it
That's it.
posts like some of the Trump stuff and news like that.
I really don't care about the news. I wanna see what the big boys are going in. Like $500,000 or more into puts and calls and SPY, SPX, and QQQ. Can you set that up?
So type / on the spy chat. Type
No,
in
I
your-
want it in the unusual whales. I don't wanna make noise in the SPY chat.
That's QQQ's flow. Let me go mess with it. I'll take some of this stuff off.
Over
because-
500,000. Can you do over 500,000?
No, I can only do 100 or 250 or greater.
Oh, okay. Oh, puts are coming in. Nice.
Live
How about
updates
SPY?
on tickers. Let's see. Ticker updates. What do you want? SPY, QQQ. We can do updates on VIX.
And SPX. Sure, yeah. SPY, QQQ, SPX, and VIX. I don't care about anything else.
Let's see.
That'd be great if we just get automatic updates of just that, just the flow, like unusual flow activity.
Yeah, I gotta mess around with this more. It's really cool. It's just it's very noisy. Like it's just spitting shit out every 5 minutes. It's too much. Oh boy, we are bullish. Slow grind down, slow grind up. What's the daily candle
So,
looking
guys, what I see, guys, sorry to distract
Go,
you.
no, no, go,
Sorry
go,
to bother
go.
you, Ryan.
Go,
So,
go.
guys, what I see right now on the 5-minute time frame, we are having the same exact algo. Look at the 9:55, at 10 o'clock, and look at 10:05 on the 5-minute time frame, and look at now. So I see exactly the same thing, and if that happens, we're gonna make a lower low, in my opinion. We should make a lower low, unless we take out the 12 o'clock candle on the 5-minute time frame. If we take out the 12 o'clock candle on the 5-minute time frame, guys, we're going to POC. POC is at 638.70. Looks like they want to do it actually.
QQQ is on a mission right now to
let's
go
see.
north.
Yeah. If
Dude,
they
this
take
is
out
really-
the highest of the high, very bullish.
This is really. Let me look at the put to call ratio on QQQ. QQQ put to calls. Oh wow, put to call ratio
They
is
might break
even.
you up actually. They might-
Put to call ratio is even on QQQ, and it's off by 1 million bag holders on SPY. Something's cooking today. There's something cooking, dude. I think V-shape is a very high possibility today, in my opinion. Call me crazy, but right now we're at the floor. that 945 floor where we bounced, we just retested it. This is potential rejection zone to do a lower low. But if they peel out of here, then we're going to get back into this top channel here.
I see exactly the same algo on the 5-minute time frame, guys. So we'll see. From 9:55 to 10:05 algo.
What algo are you looking at? 955.
Look at the 5-minute time frame, Ryan, and look at 9:55 on the 5-minute to 10:05 on the 5-minute, and exactly the same thing is happening now.
No, not really.
I want to see in the next 2 minutes how this 5-minute candle
955 to
closes.
1005. They had a lot of supply and wicks above the body, and their body closes were very small. This is looking like this is.
We're at the same
bullish.
supply. We're also at supply. Ooh,
955.
never mind. Never mind. They want to go. They want to go. They want to go. We need to reject here. If we don't reject here, guys, we're gonna fucking moonshot. We must reject here.
Thank you, Norville.
If you're bearish. Oh, how did you do that? What is this like? What am I looking at? Is this the Mac? This PC?
I
have
like
no idea
that
what I'm
chart,
looking at.
Norville. It's a great chart. One to three is the spot to be.
Oh, this.
1 to 3.
Oh, okay.
1 to
Makes
3 is
sense.
the spot to be, in my opinion. I had like a negative 5 to 1 today. But yes, this is like the law of averages. This is the law of averages. Risk to reward is very important. Very important. Somebody said it yesterday. They've been just taking base hits and their account's up like 23 grand. 1 trade a day, 2 trades a day. That's the best way to do it, to grow it. And then once you get a nice big heavy account, then you could start taking whacks with heavier contracts and trying different shit. But to get yourself out of the woodwork, just take those small base hits and pay yourself, and don't withdraw out of your brokerage. Just leave it in there.
It's tough though for some people. They have to withdraw. It makes sense.
Yeah, I know, but when you can get to the point where
I would actually condone the fact to withdraw. Because what are we doing? We're like fucking slaving like retards, pressing a couple of buttons and not withdrawing.
Well, no, but
Enjoy
you
your
gotta,
money also.
You gotta get you set milestones for yourself. So like you say, you reach your first 10 grand, pay yourself, go do something nice. If you're making $100 or $200 every day and you're taking it out of your account, you're spinning your gears in place. That's what I think. You wanna grow your account, and you wanna track your progress. This is looking very bullish, guys. This is looking very bullish. This setup is the same exact setup that we saw at low a day. If you guys are looking at the 1 minute chart, look at 1051 to 1058. This is the same exact setup for them to take a nice big push north. Yeah, Joey, and it doesn't have to be a lot, man. You don't have to try to make thousands of dollars in one day. It's just those base hits, dude. Add the fuck up, and then set milestones for yourself. You know, you make your account. You get your
I fucking hate you, Ryan. Why the fuck am I in puts right now? I just lost half of my gains, man, just because I wanted to leave and you told me to fucking stay. Down $5,000 because of you.
I hit a put at 11:03. I told you. I
I'm
told
out,
you
guys.
no puts.
Now I'm out.
You sold?
Fuck am I in here? No, I didn't sell. I'm losing $4,800 because of you right now. Bye, guys. Love you. Take care.
Well, all right. My defense, I didn't say buy puts. I've been bullish. Anybody have questions? Today was not the day. I'm sorry. I had to over leverage SPX, but I'm telling you guys, there's so something's cooking with this data. Something is not adding up. Something is not adding up. There's a million more bag holders holding puts. There's a million more bag holders holding puts. If you were a bag holder holding puts and you didn't sell and take your profit at low a day, what would you be doing right now? Holding hopes. And now the data is favorable for the calls to just continue to push north, in my opinion. Yeah, Sam, I don't know, to each his own, dude. You know, if you're systematic about it and you take percentages out and you say, say you make a couple $1,000s a week and you're very systematic and you want to pay yourself $500 a week and you're still growing your account, but it's more so to track your progress. You know what I mean? If you're making money and then you're withdrawing it all out, you're going to open up your account every day. It's going to say the same number and you're going to lose confidence because you're not growing your account. Or especially if you take more out than what you've made and then you feel like you need to get your account back to a certain number to be break even. That's like the worst mindset to have. What's Tesla doing? Yeah, Tesla's waking up. Supply $315 Tesla supply. I don't know, dude. I will not be surprised if we take the highs out. Call me crazy, but just something about this data, or at least if you draw that sloping resistance from pre-market, and we have fast track sloping resistance from 9 o'clock to high a day, maybe a little bit higher, POC area, VWAP area, just above VWAP. Those are the two areas I'm looking at. That would be the next area that I would try. Puts would be around POC. I'll post a picture. I'll show you. That first sloping resistance line from pre-market to high a day to POC. And then that second sloping resistance line, but then we'll be bullish. Structure will be bullish. I'm going to shut my broker off. Does anybody in anything or have any questions? I feel bad, Patel. I was just holding calls all morning because I had a bias because of the data. It finally worked, but even if you bought calls, you're with me and you're holding from 10 o'clock, you'd be red. But bottom ticking SPX was nice. I actually started my SPX position at like 11:09, and then that floor broke and I got steamrolled, and then it finally started reversing. Looks like we're just going to slow grind north now. All right. If nobody has questions, that's it for me. I'm going to jump off. Keep your eyes on that put to call ratio. Once that starts to even out, then I'd say that's where chop zone's going to be. If you're green, dude, that's good. Green is green. Yeah, as long as we stay under all-time highs, man, something about it for the last 2 months, shorting supply just has not worked. And then when bulls start waking up and stepping on the gas, they just push it. It's the only thing. We're in lunchtime now. Look at how slow price action is. And the data's telling me, man, now bears are freaking out because of the amount of people holding puts and didn't take profit at the bottom, obviously, because the put to call ratio is still very put side heavy. They can continue to just grind this thing up north. And then once you see the put to call ratio evening out, that's where they chop sideways. So I'm gonna jump off. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll mess with the whales bot. I know it's spitting out a lot of information over there. A lot of useless information, at least. So talk to you guys a little bit. Good job.